affidavit is filed in item 10, then it may be called for.
That challenge to that show
My
cause.
advice. Obliged.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, item number 38, this may be pass over for the day, Lordship.
Why?
So,
You have submitted an.
Lordship, regarding regulation of Mondal to the post of Mondal, Lordship, and stay order is operating in this case, Lordship.
Stay order is operating against a advertisement. That
And press
advertisement has been
advertisement
cancelled.
Including this post,
No,
Lordship.
no, advertisement has been cancelled. Now the question why the.
Cancel, Lordship, after issuance of advertisement.
Be that as it may. Well, the interim order was passed because the respondents could not demonstrate that there was any policy decision. But now the respondents have brought on record a policy decision.
Policy decision was, Lordship, after filing of my this case, Lordship.
2013.
This is to 23.
23 is the cancellation.
Rule has been formulated in
Amended.
23.
But there is a policy decision with regard to additional mondals.
Yes,
2013.
2013.
And there are decisions of this court also.
Lordship, regarding 2013 policy decision, Lordship, it was based on 2012 policy decision, same Lordship. And 2012 decision has already been interfered by this Honorable Court, Lordship, in 2012.
That advertisement did not see the light of the day. No selection was held.
No, Lordship. No, Lordship, in the additional mandals, regular selection was held, Lordship.
No. For the mondal post. You can't be regularized.
Lordship, earlier the practice was to regularize the from additional mandal to mandal, Lordship.
This additional mondal concept is not something which is there in the rules. These are additional posts created for settlement operation.
But it is.
Then you are given a preference when you apply for the mondal post.
Lordship.
Okay, why do you want an adjournment?
Lordship.
Why do you want an adjournment?
Lordship, we are filing fresh writ petition challenging the fresh advertisement, Lordship. So it may be taken up next week, Lordship.
On the prayer of Ms. R. Devi, Lanark Counsel for the petitioner, registry to list this matter again on 27/7/2026.
That's it. Obliged.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship,
Yes.
I beg to mention for listing a writ petition for motion for tomorrow, Lordship.
What is the urgency to?
Lordship, what has happened in this case? Initially, the petitioner was removed, Lordship. Thereafter, in the month of June, Lordship, we have filed a writ petition. Lordship, then the responding authorities has nullified that order and subsequently passed another order, Lordship. It's a total harassment to the petitioner, Lordship.
What are you?
Lordship, I am a grade 4 employee under the
Contractual.
NT Hills, Lordship.
Contractual.
No, Lordship. No,
Regular.
Lordship. Regular, Lordship. Without
When
following
was the order passed?
Lordship, it was passed on, Lordship, last order passed on 7th of July, Lordship. Vacation was there, Lordship.
Friday.
Friday, Lordship.
Similar.
Oblige, your Lordship.
Motion Friday, my lord.
All mention you just give it to.
Deeply obliged.
May I please the Lordship? My lord, I beg to mention item number 47 and 48, my lord. For the day only, my lord. I have submitted the adjournment slip yesterday.
On the
uh,
Order-
prayer of Mr. D.P. Bora.
And petitioner
Counsel
Friday.
for the petitioner. The matter stands adjourned. For 2 weeks.
Lordship, Lordship, has AG is appearing on the ground of AG. Yes, some urgency is there because from May 2012, Lordship has already heard the matter earlier.
Then I
That-
released it because there was
Yes.
no one. On, when do you want it?
My lord, actually, they requested me to on Friday.
Friday, it's not possible. Many matters are listed.
Yes, my lord. I will give a date, my lord, your lord, after some.
Both of you
Yeah,
contact and
yes.
give a date.
Yes.
Next week. Lordship,
Stands on the prayer of so-and-so, matter stands adjourned today. Prayer is, they so-and-so. Mr. H.K. Sharma is present on behalf of the petitioner. Duta Ekalagam IDB. Registry to list this matter again on so-and-so. Did give a date.
Yes, my lord.
Lordship.
Yes. Oblige, my lord.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 73, your lordship. Lordship, the respondents have filed a stay vacating application. We would like some time to file our objection to it.
This stay vacation was filed long back in June.
My lord,
14 days is over.
my lord, it was filed right before the break, my lord.
Either does it may.
My lord, we have obtained the consent.
You have taken the consent.
Yes, my lord.
I ate my. the Learned Counsel for your name,
And Sharma,
Mr. N. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the opposite party submits that he be granted time till
my lord, if it can be fixed on 31st of this month, where
it will be beyond 14 days. Will not do that. It was filed on, you received the copy on 23rd. 23rd, 1, 2, 3,
my lord, there was a
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 14. It can be earliest 22nd,
22nd.
14 days.
My lord, actually, we are being led by Mr. Senior Counsel, Mr.
I don't know
Chaudhary.
that, but 14 days the limitation is in the constitution.
My lord,
22nd. Second, 6, 7, 2026. Single would issue, no? Huh? No, time till 20 to file an affidavit, an objection to the interlocutory application. So, I accepted registry to list this matter again on 22/6/7/2026. The Learned Counsel for the respondent shall invariably bring on record the objections on or before 27/2026.
my lord, interim may be extended till
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next day.
deeply oblivious.
Please, Your Lordship, I, on behalf of PK made this item number 37. There was a adjournment slip circulated, Lordship.
37 or 38? 37, huh?
37, man.
I am for the petition.
May come after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Readings are complete here.
Readings complete, my lord. And otherwise, my lord, the case is squarely covered by another judgment of this honorable court, my lord. It's squarely covered, my lord. Arising
What
out of
was
the
the issue here?
issue is that the petitioner, my lord, due to delay,
Why is that delay?
because the IB clearance or some other formalities were required.
But only in your case, there was a delay.
No, in my case or in the matter that I have referred to similar
Had they
judgment.
extended the date of joining? No.
Yes, my lord, yes.
The appointment order was issued subsequently.
Yes, my lord. So delay was there due to.
But you have not that was not dealt with in the affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
I'm
That
not aware.
issue was not dealt with in the
Yes,
affidavit.
my lord. And otherwise, my lord,
A
the
prayer
issue
is
is.
made on behalf of Mr.
PK Medi.
P.K. Medi, Learned CGC, for an adjournment in the matter on the ground of personal inconvenience. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. D.P. Bora, Learned Counsel for the petition. Registry, accordingly, registry to list this matter again on
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
31/7/2026.
God bless, my lord.
Please, Your Lord.
16 to 36 series matter. It would do.
My lord, I pray for listing a matter for admission, Lordship. It's a 2025 matter, Lordship. Notice of motion was issued on,
What is the issue involved?
issue is dismissed from service.
Affidavits filed.
Not yet, Lordship. I pray, Lordship, they have not 2025 matter till date, one time only listed,
The
Lordship.
2019 matter, no affidavit is filed. Okay,
Lordship.
date ka DD was. We'll give a date.
Lordship.
Plan appears for the petition on file. Registry to list this for the ends of justice, registry to list this matter after a week. Same order.
Item number 1, I am being led.
Oh, Mr. Soni, you got it.
Minus 6 on 1. 6.
We'll take it up as the next item.
Fine.
Just 5 minutes.
Minus.
Yes, item number Kima.
Sir, for 7, I was present. My senior is on legs in another court.
There was nobody for the petitioner. Same order, right? On you.
Please, Lordship. My lord, the petitioner before Lordship, my lord. My lord. working at a PSF, my lord. He is a my lord head constable, my lord. He has been
You're behind bars.
trial by that, my lord, GFC court, my lord, and accordingly sentenced for 4 years and
4 years
dismissed from service.
imprisonment and dismissal from service.
My lord. I notice may go, my
Who is appearing for the resisting?
Lordship,
You will appear.
Lordship.
1 to 6. All the responsibility.
Do you want us to issue a notice because this man is behind the bars? Or you want to just take some instructions, get your records so that we can decide?
My lord.
Lordship, then instruction, Lordship.
Heard Mr. M. Sarania, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S. Roy, learned CGC appearing for the respondents.
Fine.
Also, Mr. Roy, learned CGC submits that he be granted time till 3/8/20.
Lordship, my pen.
Oh, Mr. B. Chakraborty, B. Chakraborty, submits that he be granted time till 3/8/2026 to produce the records pertaining to the departmental post. He is behind bars.
Lordship,
He is under arrest, detention,
My lord.
4 years. So you get the records. If there is something, then we will issue a notice.
Lordship has given us time till
3/8,
3/8.
3/8/2026 to produce the records pertaining to the proceedings instituted against the petition. leading
Extra
to-
copies may be submitted.
Leading
I'll
to
submit.
the issuance of the order dated 5/3/2025, imposing the penalty of
4 years, my lord, sentence and the dismissal from
order
service.
dated sentence. Registered to list this matter in on 3/8/2020.
I leave it.
Because if issuing notice again, it will be, so if his liberty is somehow infringed with, we'll at least get him out of the jail. At least get him, because he has a prayer for bail.
My lord.
We'll get him out of the jail, then we'll consider the issue.
I leave it.
Lordship 8, your lordship.
There was nobody. Oh, you are there.
Lordship. At this stage, notice will go down.
Because for issuance of notice also, I need somebody.
Well, of course, lordship.
Heard Mr. B. Chakraborty, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. G. Bordoloi, learned standing counsel, cooperative society,
Corporation Department.
or corporation department. The petitioner in the present petition has presented a challenge to an order dated 6/5/2024, imposing the penalty of dismissal from service upon him on conclusion of a departmental proceedings instituted against the petitioner. Also, the petitioner has also assailed the order of the appellate authority rejecting the appeal preferred by the petition. Also, issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. Mr. G. Bordelin, learned standing counsel, corporation department accepts notice on behalf of all
All the respondents.
no formal notice, sir. Registered to list this matter again after 4 weeks on a date.
Obliged. Again. Instruction was sought for last occasion, my lord.
What is your case? What is your
This
grievance?
is the third round of litigation.
A neurologist was not there.
Not bad.
Not
And
there.
pediatric was there, my lord.
Huh?
Pediatric doctor was there, my lord.
Huh?
Pediatric doctor was there.
Pediatric doctor is one of the doctors. There is a
Yes, one of
medicine
the,
specialist,
yes.
there is a pediatrician, and there is a pulmonologist.
Yes.
Now you say there was no, what is the specialist doctor that should have been there?
Neurologist, my lord.
Neurologist.
My lord.
Come to page 31.
The report was called for. From the
What
HCA.
more is required? What
But-
more is required?
But I have stated, my lord, petitioner was, my
Mr.
lord.
Counsel,
Yes.
they have taken a report, they have sent you,
Yes.
got you examined in the medical college. It is Gauhati Medical
He
College,
got him, my lord.
taken a report from the
Yes.
neurologist there,
Yes.
and then considered that. Then what more is required?
But petitioner was, my lord, check up in OPD department, my lord.
Be that as it may, we are not concerned. He was examined, your case was there is no specialist. We find that the report of the specialist is there.
Yes.
What more is required? A
But-
defense force, if you are not competent, fit enough, why should you be
But
recruited?
petitioner can say initially
We are not
appointed.
here, we don't have the expertise. We don't know, even if we have some problems. We are not doctors here.
That is true, my
Yes,
lord.
Mr. Gupta, what is that? What is the instruction? What is the instruction?
Instructions I have received.
Ah, then give it to me. Is the report of the uh, medical college, Gauhati Medical College available here?
No, my lord.
Why?
Not.
Ah, it's here.
It's here. My lord, pursuant to the direction, my lord, contempt was filed. That contempt was closed, my lord. In that view of the matter, my lord.
How can the closure of the contempt prevent him from assailing this? Is
Not a
there a bar?
petition. No, my lord, this order of compliance, my lord, by which the review medical board was carried on.
Fine. That was that you had carried out a review medical board. To that extent, the order was complied with. There is no violation. But he says that the review board was not constituted properly. You have examined him with a pediatrician for this neurological problem.
No, my lord, the GMC was consulted. my
Where
lord.
is that report of the GMC authorities?
In the instruction, my lord, it is there.
Where? Show me.
My lord, cardiothoracic and neurosciences
Show
center.
me there is a opinion given that this is the problem.
My lord.
This medical jargon we can't decipher. It
My
could
lord.
be written in words.
My lord.
Where is that? Because you have said that opinion of the neurophysician from Gauhati Medical College Hospital was obtained. Where is that opinion? I want it by
My
two.
lord,
Get it by two. And don't take this unnecessary, please, Mr. Gupta.
My lord, will take it up tomorrow, my
No,
lord.
today.
Okay, my lord.
Why do they send you, Mr. Gupta, instructions without the relevant material? That's the only relevant material that is there.
I'll get.
Get it by two. Yes.
This is a transfer of member of the railway protection.
When did we fix the other matters?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay. Now, this is a transfer from, where is that? Where are you posted?
Katihar million.
Katihar.
Katihar.
To posted, transfer to,
So transfer to Katihar million.
and from where?
Yes.
From where to where? Where is your name here?
From Rongia to Katihar million.
Where is your name here?
Page 34, serial number 38.
Serial number 38. Asifur Rahman,
Yes.
Romia.
Not a single choice has been considered.
Now, this is a transfer on promotion. After
Promotion.
the transfer order, have you given up the promotion?
Before the promotion, I have.
Have you given up the promotion after the transfer order was issued? Have you written that I'm not accepting this?
Yes, ma'am. I have.
Where? Show me that. Not before, afterwards.
After that, I have not submitted me that. Before I have submitted.
So you want to go back as a constable?
Yes.
You want to remain as a constable?
Constable.
Yes, Mr. Kaushik, you are appearing for the railways.
My lord,
What do you say?
if lordship will kindly find, my lord, the transfer order was challenged on the ground. Firstly, that On the,
Get it? It was a transfer on
so
promotion.
where is
He
the
wants that,
foregoing
he
the
wants to
promotion?
give, it was a
There's no-
transfer
My lord,
necessitated because of his promotion. He wants to give up his promotion.
my lord, that's not a part of the record that foregoing the promotion.
But what do
I'll
you
have
say?
to take instruction
You
on
take, because other matters are coming up
tomorrow.
as prayed for by the Lana Council for the parties, registry to list this matter again tomorrow. Tomorrow, yeah. Next one.
Next.
Sir, Palva, your additional affidavit has come.
I have a copy.
No, we'll wait for some time, let it come. Otherwise, what happens, I'll pass the order, it will remain here, it will not get into the fight. Just give me 2 minutes. Yes. Mr. Rafiq has around 5-6 similar matters. I'll just get over with that. Yes. Same issue.
My lord, 11 is same,
No, 11 is,
same
11 is also on promotion.
promotion, not a single
Now,
prize was
from where
considered.
to where?
Here from Coach Bihar to Jalpaiguri.
11 to 12. The application was-
Yes,
12, 13,
forget it. You show me in item number 11, from where to where are you being posted?
yes, my lord. From Alipurduar to
From
Jalpaiguri,
Alipurduar.
Katihar.
To Katihar. How is this repetition maintainable before this court? You're not within my jurisdiction.
Yes, my lord, with the CHA here, my lord.
Let them be here. Let them be anywhere, but you are not here before me. You are not working under the jurisdiction of this court.
Alipurduar is under the
No,
jurisdiction of
it's
the
not.
Gauhati PCHA.
No. It may be under the jurisdiction of the railways, but it's not under my jurisdiction. How can this repetition be maintainable here? It's West Bengal. It
West
should be
Bengal.
Calcutta High Court, not here.
Respondents are here, my lord.
Be that as it may, then you go and file the case in Delhi. Why are you filing it in Gauhati? Go and file it in Delhi. Railway board is in Delhi.
My lord, my lord,
You are not a person who is working in an area under the territorial jurisdiction of this court.
my lord, tomorrow I will check this.
No,
issue, my lord.
today itself, now.
At 2 minutes, I will check this issue, whether the Guwahati High Court has jurisdiction or not.
How can the Gauhati High Court have a jurisdiction here?
I will
This
check
is
it.
New Coach Bihar. New Coach Bihar is in West Bengal.
I will check it, my lord, at 2 minutes.
At 2. Okay.
Then the order is from the Alipur.
Alipur, that's why.
Is 40.
Last time you did not take this plea. You should have raised this plea in the last occasion.
Last time, my lord, he prayed for withdrawal of the repetition by seeking a liberty. My lord, though
No,
the,
even that order could not have been passed by this
Absolutely.
court. You have not pointed it
my
out.
lord, that's true.
Because in the synopsis,
No, he is the part
in
of
the synopsis, from the present place of posting to so and so. The present place of posting is not disclosed.
Yes.
no, for the first time he has approached this.
This,
Okay,
in this
then
case,
next one, 12. Jalpaiguri.
Yes, my lord.
Jalpaiguri to
176 serial number. Jalpaiguri to Tinsukia.
Jalpaiguri to Tinsukia. You have not come to my jurisdiction till now. You are in Jalpaiguri only.
I'll check.
So this also 2 o'clock to Tabasa.
2 minutes.
Next one.
13.
This is Gauhati.
This is Guwahati.
As prayed for 13, not as prayed for by the Lana Council for the parties, Kali. Then 14.
Then 14. Not 14 to person.
Alipurduar.
Yes. 14 to. Then my lord 15.
14.
14 nahi dhurne tap.
14. Laishram Amanda Singh.
It is done, my lord.
Huh?
Alipurduar to
Alipurduar, 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
Orup Sarkar, Gauhati.
Guwahati. Here, my lord, the ground is different, my lord.
Fine, we'll take it up tomorrow together.
Yes, my
Uh,
lord. Spouse
you
ground,
have your. It's not promotion.
not promotion.
You have it. We'll have it tomorrow. I want a complete background. Means how long have been they been in this post? Whether this posting is within the terms of your circulars, promotion, whether he has approached you after the promotion order was issued, asking for withdrawal of that order, and also say he had given an application the other cases earlier that I don't want the promotion. But see, consideration to promotion is a fundamental right. So you have to consider it. After the consideration order is issued, that is not a fundamental, that's just a legal right.
Yes.
He should have given it up afterwards. If that be so, if he gives up, ask them whether he can be accommodated. Because it's only on that
Because
ground.
his representation doesn't say so.
My
His
lord,
representations were on different ground.
They're different ones.
before promotion, I was asked to submit whether.
But in your
I'm willing or not.
representations, you have not set this ground that I'm giving it, giving
No,
up this.
It's
promotion.
not said.
Before promotion, I was asked to submit whether I'm willing or not. I have submitted
Okay.
my unwillingness.
Unfortunately, they
Thereafter-
promoted you. They
Thereafter
promoted you.
That's why I'm before your lordship.
Mr. Rafiq, they promoted you.
Yes, please.
Now, in your this court give you an opportunity to file a representation.
Yes, please.
In the representation, have you taken this plea that I want to give up this promotion?
No.
Also propose. And one more thing, my lord, not a single choice has been considered. Not a single choice.
Oh, that
Yeah,
is,
toys would
those are
be-
administrative reasons. We'll not.
Choice would be based
But
on the
it is-
vacancy.
This is,
Other
Mr. Counsel, when it is on promotion, you don't have a choice.
But they have given me the choices.
That they have given you. It's a normal transfer. There is a option given, I can understand.
Other candidates' case has been considered. my lord. Discrimination, my lord, total.
Bring, make a challenge to that, I'll set it aside.
Yes.
2 o'clock, the other things.
Yes, my lord.
These things tomorrow.
All I think.
May please, Your Honor. My lord, by this time, the petitioner has attained the age of superannuation in April 26. Now, the move of the department, it appears, my lord, that the department is in a haste, my lord, to impose major penalty and thereby withhold, my lord, his.
When did you retire?
In April 26, my lord. My lord, the earlier show cause of 24, the charges of demand of bribe has resulted in, my lord, in exoneration in my favor. And that report did not appeal, my lord, the disciplinary authority, and thereby, my lord, it had issued a supplementary charge sheet. Yes,
So Talukdar, rest assured, we have also gone through.
my lord.
Now, you say that you have retired on April
26.
26.
My lord.
This show cause notice at page 68, which you are agreed with
Yes.
now, right?
Yes.
Was issued on 3/7/26.
Yes, yes.
And that is issued by your rule 9. How can that be, madam?
Yes, correct. my lord.
Lordship,
You have not taken that plea, but
I've not taken the plea, but
Yes.
full
Lordship,
21 pension was
you
filed.
have not taken, that
Yes,
was
yes.
the only plea
Yes,
required to
yes.
be taken. You have not
Yes.
taken that plea.
before that, my lord,
Before
the
that.
petitioner has approached this honorable court.
Oh,
on
forget that. That is on different.
Only one
Now come to
submission.
page 68.
That lordship, I am coming, my lord.
Ah.
Lordship, kindly lordship,
Hmm.
for 5 minutes.
Hmm.
On 2/7, the
5
vacation,
minutes.
in the
Okay, 5 minutes.
vacation court lordship, 2/7/2028, the order of this honorable court, page 57. They have challenged the supplementary so cause, lordship. Then this honorable court, page 59, my lord. Lordship has got in, my lord.
Same one.
Yes, yes, my lord.
3/7.
Yes, my lord. 3635, lordship, WPC number. Lordship, yes, earlier one.
Page.
Page 57 starts and a relevant portion is page 59. It's ordered at 2/7/2026 in the vacation court, my lord.
What was the order challenged here?
That was a supplementary so cause.
Oh, that is that we are not concerned.
Then the observation of this coordinate bench, my lord, page 20, page 59.
Come to page 57. This is the order 2/7/2026.
Yes, my lord.
Hmm?
Yes, my lord.
What is under challenge here?
This is the supplementary
10/6/2026.
and the three.
Oh, madam. The order under challenge in page 57 is 10/6/2027.
Lordship.
Now
And
come-
they have filed one read appeal. Read appeal before the division bench.
Oh, forget it. Now come to page 14.
Yes, page 40.
What is the challenge here?
Page of 14.
1/4.
14, they have released 3/7, the so cause notice.
So that is a different show cause notice?
Yes.
So this writ petition is not on the same supplementary charge sheet? Fresh show cause notice?
Fresh so
3/7.
cause is arising out of the supplementary.
No, it's a fresh show cause notice.
They may,
And your people does not know. This high level official, he does not know the rules. He does not know the rules. Man retired in April 2026 and he is issuing a show cause notice invoking Rule 9. What is he trying to show? Huh?
but Lordship,
Trying
that
to
plea,
harass the man.
but that plea they have taken in the writ appeal
You
also.
give me why this show cause notice at 2 o'clock. Why this show cause notice was issued after the man had retired. 2 o'clock I want the answer from that officer. Disciplinary authority at 2 o'clock.
The Lordship, kindly tomorrow, I will
2 o'clock today. At 2 o'clock first item, Matiba.
oblige. Only that much instruction. Why
That
that
much
has been issued.
instruction, why he has resorted to invoke the provisions of Rule 9 after the person he is projecting that he has retired in April 2020.
Lordship, before that,
I want a written instruction at 2 p.m.
Lordship, before that, may I submit one thing?
I'll not hear anything after.
Some notification, the document.
Forget your notifications. He is not a government servant thereafter. And this man does not know. If he does not know, ask him to be replaced from that important post. Come on. I want it at 2 p.m.
Oblige.
And Mr. Talukdar, the simple point you don't take.
My lord, I have taken that.
You have taken everything in the world, but you have not taken Rule 21.
Yes. My lord, in fact, I was.
Same plea he has taken, the petitioner in the writ appeal. The 2-7 order is, they have filed appeal before
Madam,
this.
2-7 is not before me. It
But
may be before.
3-7 plea also they have taken. 3-7, the so cause notice they have taken in the writ
In a writ
appeal
appeal,
also.
how can he make a challenge to a 3-7 notice?
Yes, Lordship, I have the writ appeal copy. I can show, my lord. He has taken. He has misplaced this, trying to mislead this honorable court. That's why I have keeping this writ appeal copy with me, my lord. Roman 2, my lord. Is it 3-7? But this 3-7 is not before this honorable single judge on 2-7. Then that's why Lordship may dismiss this writ petition. I will take instruction from the department also why he has issued the hearing.
I only want you to take instruction that the man has retired. He says that he has retired in April 2020. If he has retired in April 2020, how come in July 2026, a departmental proceeding is instituted against him, invoking provisions of Rule 9 of the rules of 1960? And if your officer does not know the basic fundamentals, he is not fit to be there.
Lordship, kindly tomorrow, my lord.
Today at 2 p.m.
For written instruction, kindly 1 day time.
Today 2 p.m. If you can issue such notices with such haste, without application of mind, apply your mind for 1 hour, ask him to apply his mind for 1 hour and give me the instructions. I'll have him here today at 4 o'clock.
But Lordship may kindly have a look what they are doing.
Look at everything subsequently. Give me this.
That instruction I will get, but what is the petitioner is doing, Lordship?
Let the petitioner do what he wants to do. And if you don't know how to conduct your disciplinary proceedings, this would be the result. Right?
Lordship, I'll get the instruction.
2 o'clock.
Oblige.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, in this matter, we are awaiting instructions, my lord, on the last occasion.
Who was to give you these instructions?
Lordship from.
Because we had issued this notice on 12/6.
Lordship, notices were not issued.
No, that instruction was directed on 12/6.
12/6, yes,
And
my
today
lord.
we are in nearly 1 month afterwards.
Lordship.
More than 1 month afterwards.
Yes,
You don't have instructions.
Lordship, some
Ask, no, today.
short accommodation.
Lordship,
Sir, I'll come back to you. Yes.
Lordship, a short accommodation.
No,
may be
short
given, my-
accommodation, 3 o'clock.
Lordship.
Yes, what do you?
Yes, Lordship, this matter has become infructuous.
Oh, infractions. Oh, very good.
Because they have been engaged.
Very good. Very good. Very good. You're safe.
Not safe.
You're safe. Mr.
I am it.
Hi.
I am it.
I am at Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioners have, during the pendency of the present writ petition, being granted the relief sought for in the prayed for in the present prayed for hearing. Also, in view of the above, he submits that the present writ petition has been rendered infructuous. Prayer is not objected to by Ms. B. Ora, Learned Standing Counsel, BTC. Accordingly, the writ petition stands closed on being rendered infructuous.
Oblige.
Deep.
You saved Ms. Bora. Ms. Bora, See, 1 month we only require instruction. You don't get instruction, it does not look very nice.
Yes, my lord. We have written to the authorities, but
Next time I get something, I'll have the authority here. You just show me that letter you have written. That much will.
May I resolve?
Hmm.
And on the last question, my lord.
Yes, what, any policy?
Lordship, Social Justice and Empowerment Department does not have any policy of their own because the policies are already means policies are being framed by the Personnel B Department, Government of Assam.
Now, Mr. Chaudhary,
Lordship.
say there is no policy. You are a Group B officer, not a Group C, Group D employee. You are a Group B officer. Now, is it the purport that because of your physical condition, you must never be posted out of that district?
No, man. I'm my limited, he was transferred from Silchar to Dubdi. What I am on, the Act and the, my lord, OM, central government OM. and-
Central government OM, they have not adopted.
My lord, in one judgment, they said it's adopted.
Now, what would be the effect that they will not never
My
be
lord, there are,
transferred?
in other districts also, nearby districts, their posts are vacant, my lord. He
You
could have
submit
been,
a representation.
my lord, I filed a representation before them. They have, in terms of the order of the court, they have rejected my representation and asked me to join within 24 hours in Dubli. Arbitrary and malafide action on their part, my lord. They could have accommodated. I'm not saying that, my lord, I should be accommodated in.
Yes, Mr. Bodley, any vacant posts available in the nearby district?
May be available in Karimganj or Kachari, Your Lordship.
Have you instructions?
Lordship.
Huh? Such a condition, the man is
Yes, ma'am.
list. To the extent possible, help him out to do his work.
Yes, Lordship.
At least that much we as a society
Yes.
owe to them.
Yes,
Hmm?
yes, sir.
But I'm not saying that you retain him for his whole life
Yes.
Yes.
tenure there. No, that cannot be. But if it can be done, please do it.
Lordship.
Huh?
Lordship.
When?
Lordship,
Monday?
yeah. Monday, Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. G. Bodley, heard Mr. J.M. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Chaudhary submits that the petitioner is aggrieved by the transfer, affected a transfer, or that by the order of transfer, by an order dated by the order of his transfer, inasmuch as the transfer has been effective from Silchar to Dhubri. Mr. Chaudhary submits that in the districts adjoining the district of Silchar,
Yes,
Kachar,
Kachar.
Kachar, comma, there exists a vacant post of senior inspector / auditor, where against which the petitioner can be accommodated for the time being. Mr. G. Bodley submits that he would complete his instructions. He would receive instructions as to whether there are existing vacant posts in the cadre of senior inspector / auditor of cooperative societies in the districts adjoining the district of Kachar. He prays that the matter be taken up on 27/2026. Pray accepted. Registry to list this matter again on 27/2026. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next week.
I'm obliged.
Don't be such adamant. If
Yes.
that's possible, do it. But this will not be a permanent solution to you, Mr.
But if law permits. my lord.
Till when permissible,
Yes,
they will
yes.
adjust.
Yes,
Beyond
yes,
that,
yes,
you will
yes.
have-
Yes, ma'am. I'm not praying for my lord. And,
May it please your lordship. This case concerns the recruitment to the post of Constable GD in Central Industrial Security Force, lordship.
Hmm.
This particular petitioner happened to apply twice in that, while this advertisement notice is at page annexure 1, lordship, page 19, it starts.
Madam,
Yes, lordship.
I accept your plea to the effect that the first application that you uploaded you did not know whether it was registered or not.
Yes.
So you did a second one. To that extent, I am with you. Now you received 2 admit cards.
Yes,
Why did you appear for 2 times?
I only
That
appeared.
cannot be excused. You have taken a chance. That cannot be. I'm sorry.
Only in the computer-based application.
Be that as it may, why did you appear? What made you to appear? This is mandate dismissal. Only on that point. That shows that you're malafide intent. You took a chance, and that is in violation of clause 8 of 12.
16 point.
16.
16.
Anything more?
But my lord, they have been processing my application.
What is that? I didn't
I
understand.
have to take instruction. Why they have
Okay.
processed.
Ms. B. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr.
Ali.
Huh?
And Ali.
N. Ali, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S. Roy, SS Roy, Learned CGC, appearing for the respondents. The petitioner in the present writ petition has presented a challenge to an order dated 23/12/2024, by which his candidature for recruitment to against the post of
Stable GD.
constable in Central Armed Police Forces was cancelled. Also, the reason for instituting the present writ petition after a delay of more than a year, is on the ground that the respondents, after having cancelled the candidature of the petitioner, has been processing the matter and verifying the residential status of the petitioner. Also, it is submitted by Ms. Chaudhary that the subsequent action taken by the respondent authorities nullifies the cancellation of his selection, and accordingly, the petitioner would be entitled to a direction for appointment to the post against which he was selected, for which he was selected, full stop. Mr. Roy submits that he shall receive instructions as to why, after cancellation of the candidature of the petitioner, why then order dated 23/12/2024, the respondents are processing the matter to verifying his residential status. Also, as prayed for by Mr. S. Roy, registry to list this matter again on 22/7/2026.
Lordship, 22/7, Lordship, I will not be there, Lordship.
24?
Not there, Lordship, thereafter, Lordship.
17. Just get a telephonic instruction. That
Lordship. It is because, Lordship, it was issued by the SSC and the document verification was done by the CRPF.
Be that as it may,
I will touch
17th you get that instruction.
17.
Friday. Telephonic instruction.
Lordship.
Friday.
Let us go and as on date.
Mm,
Let us go as on
No,
date.
Lordship, because
If you are entitled, we will put you back. They'll create a supernumerary post for you.
Much obliged.
My name is in Captain Silva, my lord.
What is this?
vigilance case is there, Lordship.
Vigilance case?
Yes.
Seal cover. Show me the law.
Lordship.
Show me the law. Vigilance case, seal cover. Show me the law.
The pendency of the
Show me the law, Mr. Goswami, that pendency of a regular inquiry, vigilance inquiry, is a bar for promotion and it should be kept in seal cover.
Lordship.
You come to your own OM.
page 47.
48.
Yes, ma'am.
Is any of the 3 conditions met?
Lordship, but
Heard
Lordship,
Mr. S. Bhattakur, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. J.K. Goswami, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate, appearing for the respondents. Mr. Bhattakur, Mr. Goswami submits that he be granted time till 27/2026 to complete his instructions in the matter. Also, I accepted registry to list this matter again on 27/2026. Mr. Goswami shall apprise this court as to whether the petitioner at the time of consideration of his case for promotion was kept under suspension and or a charge sheet was filed in a criminal proceeding instituted against him and or a departmental proceeding stood instituted against him in the matter. That's what I would say. I should not dispose it off like this. He should be given.
Obviously, Lordship, one extra copy is necessary.
One way you give him two.
Yes, Lordship.
One.
Your Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship,
Mr. Deka.
This is regarding rejection on the ground of PT NCL certificate, Lordship.
Hmm.
We are assailing a.
When was the selection held?
Selection advertisement was of 2024, Lordship.
24.
Yes, Lordship. 5/9/2024,
Hmm.
page 30.
Hmm.
At page 35, clause 6.5, Lordship,
Hmm.
wherein the crucial date is mentioned as mentioned on 14/10/2024.
Hmm.
Now, the certificates produced by the petitioners were beyond the crucial date, Lordship, the date of issuance. They have their own official memorandum, Lordship, that is dated 17/12/2017 at page 42. Clause 3, subclause 1. If I may read clause subclause 1, Lordship. With effect from 23/1/2017, that is the date of dismissal of SLP number so and so filed by the Commission in the Honorable Supreme Court of India, Union of India versus Abdul Rashid, the Commission will not insist on candidates producing OBC certificates issued within the cutoff dates, that is 3 years, before the last date of receipt of applications and up to 180 days after closing date of applications mentioned in the notices. Now, Lordship, on the basis of this notification, Honorable Coordinate Bench have already passed an order that, Lordship, we have annexed at page 53. No, page 84, Lordship.
Where is your NCL certificate?
My NCL certificate, Lordship, your Lordship will find at page 37. Nineteen 3/2025. Next will be page 38. 28 3/2025.
This is for the period?
That is within 180 days, Lordship, from the closing date, Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, at this stage, I cannot say anything because the
But
instructions.
Mr. D. Deka, Learned Counsel for the petition, also heard Mr. H. Learned Counsel, Learned CGC. Your CGC.
Yes, Your Lordship.
CGC appearing for the respondents. The Learned CGC submits that he be granted time till P8/2026 to complete his instructions on the matter and apprise this court as to why the candidates of the petitioners were.
Sorry, Lordship, if I may please, Lordship, there is already a order of a.
Without
coordinate
giving
bench,
him an
Lordship.
opportunity of,
Lordship.
if that is the law, you tell me, I'll pass the orders. There is any law like that?
Lordship,
That the petitioner, whatever the petitioner relies, without even hearing the respondent, we should consider and pass the order.
Next.
On
Obliged.
3/8/2026.
Your Lordship is fixing on.
3/8, huh? 3/8. You have enough time? Get your complete instructions, come back.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Mr. Borthakur is taking advantage of an order given by me.
But your Lordship will kindly see that your Lordship, the show cause notice, your Lordship.
There are two show cause notices
No,
used.
first one is your Lordship, that's not under Rule 9, your Lordship.
27/6.
Lordship. The
What is this
24th June
27/6? What is 27/6?
Lordship will kindly, that is one notice, your Lordship.
It was for preliminary.
Your Lordship will. Now I am telling 26, your Lordship, 7 is the order, your Lordship.
Whereas in the show cause notice bearing number dated 27/6/2025,
Lordship.
while everything else is kept as it is, however, 3 separate charges are brought, which were not there in the earlier communication dated 24/6.
Lordship, that is your Lordship. Your Lordship will kindly come to page 20 26th of June, your lordship.
24/6 is at 102.
Lordship.
Now, where is 27/6? So there seems to be another charge sheet issue.
No, your lordship,
Or
27th.
in your reply, you find it. Come to page 109. Second paragraph.
The show cause notice so and so along with the statement of a list of documents and witnesses were also initially, your lordship, that
Let's come down.
were also
Whereas-
provided, whereas in the show cause notice being his number so and so, while everything else is case as it is, however, 3 separate charges were brought which were not there in the earlier communication dated 24/6/2025.
No, I have 24/6/25 at page 102.
Yes, that is 102.
Where
That
is
is,
27/6/25?
that we have not annexed, your
Because
lordship.
that also you'll have to challenge.
Lordship, that
Mr. Bhattakur,
lordship,
I think there is some error in this second paragraph of yours.
lordship,
Because the number is 57666131,
lordship,
same as page 102.
lordship,
Can your junior just have a clarification from the petitioner on this?
lordship,
Otherwise,
Lord.
because if there is another one saying this will not help.
lord, lord. Tomorrow, your lord.
Friday.
Lord.
Right. The prayer of the learned council for the parties raised it to discuss this matter again on Friday.
Yes, your lord.
Please, your lord.
Mr. Bhattakur, how is your eyes now? Fine?
Slightly improving, my lord. The vision is still difficult. My learned friends will help me in reading the
You need not read, you just make your submissions.
file. My first submission is, my lord, it is a misconduct, my lord. Rule 13 of the
Misconduct, Mr. Bhattakur, Mr. Burgoyne, that is not for you to conduct. That is for the department to say. They have
No, no, my
said
lord.
nothing.
No, my lord, my.
You are not the department, you are a private
No,
individual.
I'm saying on that, my lord. I'm saying on that. Your lordship had also taken it, decided in the matter. In
There is one, Mr. Sharma, there is a decision of my Lord Justice Chaudhary
my lord.
with regard to this online courses, B.Ed courses.
Your lordship is also having a judgment of this.
Wherein I said that, what did I say?
Your lordship had decided the matter.
No, this is different.
No, it
That,
is also a misconduct, madam. My lord, your lordship may come to para 24, 25 and 26, last part.
Well, that was a detailed judgment, my lord,
Ah.
which is pending before the Honorable Division Bench. The matter, my lord, the question that was raised was that can the claim, the misconduct, can it be addressed by the authorities?
That has been disposed of. That has been disposed.
Yes, my lord. And the issue there was that the petitioners therein had undertaken the B.Ed course online, which did not interfere with their official discharge of duty. So that was one aspect which was taken by my learned A.D. Chaudhary, my lord.
My lord,
matter is still
may I
pending.
go to the second?
That was one of the appeal, my lord, which I had presented as a part of an annexure before this honorable court, my lord, in Mallika Devi, my lord.
Mallika Devi.
My lord, my lord.
Yes, sir.
Well, may I submit the second point, my lord?
Please.
Regarding the gradation list, my lord, there is a procedure of preparation of gradation list, my lord. The gradation list that my learned man has annexed with the writ petition, it is not authenticated by any authority, my lord. The procedure is not followed. I like to draw your lordship attention to Rule 25 of the Assam Secondary Education Government Services Rule 2020, my lord. It is very clear, my lord, that first the draft rule and draft gradation list will be prepared and it will send to the concerned persons. And after getting their reply, it will be finally published by the Director of Secondary Education. Rule 25. Green.
Government service rules.
Yes, madam. That is 2020, madam. Your lordship will get it at page 75.
Now, if for that to appreciate that, now to appreciate that, What are the initial dates of appointment of the petitioner and the applicant?
My lord, I'd like to draw your lordship attention to the full bench judgment of this honorable court.
I'll
my
come
lord.
to that. Just give me the dates, Mr.
My lord.
Bor-
My lord,
Mr. Sharma, you can have your seat. Mr. Sharma, Mr. Borpatra, what is the dates? Date of the appointment of the petitioner?
date of appointment of the petition. Date of appointment of the writ petition. My lord, sorry for this.
No, it's okay. Please take your time.
Visionary difficult. Let me.
Petitioner was appointed on 6/5/1997
Yes,
as a postgraduate teacher.
yes, at test board.
Dhubri. Dhubri.
That test
And
board.
then she was a Tezpur. And then she was transferred to TC Girls School in the year 2004.
Yes, ma'am.
Any dispute on this?
No, there is no dispute, my lord. One thing is there, my lord,
No,
at the.
Mr. Bo, just trying to get the things
No,
clear for myself.
date I have no dispute, my lord.
Petitioner transferred to TC Girls School.
Yes. Gopal Boro, my lord.
Gopal Boro.
Not TC.
Gopal Boro. In the year 2004. When were you appointed?
2006. my lord.
2006. So you are admittedly junior to the petitioner.
No, my lord, on that, I do not have any objection to that, my lord. My point is in the other way, my lord. The honorable full bench of this court has decided the matter that when a person is transferred to another district on personal request, then in that case, he or she loses the seniority.
Mr. Borpatra Goga, you need not trouble yourself because that is under the 2003 rules of a provincialized school. This is a rule, this is a service, government service, and the entire state, there is one cadre. So you are in Dhubri, you are in Gauhati, you are in anywhere else, Tezpur,
Yes.
does not make any difference.
Mala, then in that case, my lord,
And even if we take that plea of yours, that she was transferred to Gopal Boro only in 2004. So her seniority in terms of the full bench judgment should be counted from 2004.
yes.
If it is counted from 2004 also, you are junior to her.
Now, that is why, my lord, my prayer on the last occasion was that as this honorable court has given a direction to the government to submit their affidavit.
They need
No,
not.
even assuming, my lord, even if they have wrongly appointed me.
Ms. Das,
Well,
Ms.
at
Das
least-
will make her submission.
At least some statement should have been there. my
That
lord,
Ms.
in
Das
affidavit.
would be making her submissions. That's what she told that day. She would be making her submissions.
Simply, but then as the instruction was there of this honorable court to submit the affidavit, my lord, my prayer is that
Unfortunately, our instructions are not complied with. So we have to go a step further to determine.
that.
And there is no dispute here.
No,
Mr.
my lord, that tantamount to content of court because
Somebody files a contempt case, we
no, the principles of equality, my lord. I am an individual, so that rule will be carried out and as the
Naturally.
government is also another in an equal point, my lord.
Right.
They should also follow the direction of this honorable court, my lord.
Any other point, Mr.
No, these are the 3 points. Another point, of course, the Honorable Supreme Court has decided that one ad hoc cannot be replaced by another ad hoc, unless a regular appointment is made. And your lordship will find it at there are 12. Yes. This is para 12, please.
Right. Para 12.
Yes.
Right.
One humble submission before your lordship is that if your lordship pleases, lordship may give a direction to the director to settle the matter as in the earlier case, your lordship has given a direction, my lord. And that will settle the matter, my lord, amicably.
Fine.
This is my submission.
Yes.
My lord, my first submission, my lord, is that my learned senior, my lord, has raised an objection as to preparation of the gradation list. That ought to have been taken in a separate writ petition, my lord, filed by the petitioner, if the petitioner is so aggrieved.
Oh, Mr. Barpatra Gohai is only hinting that
True,
if a decision is to be taken on the inter-se seniority,
my lord.
that and you rely on a page of some select
It's a gradation list, my lord.
Mr. Barpatra Gohai is pointing out
My
that
lord.
in terms of the rule, there is a set procedure
My lord.
for publication of a gradation list.
My lord, true.
And you have not said that in the writ petition that this gradation list was published following 25.
Yes, my lord.
To that extent,
To that extent, my lord.
is trying to
My lord.
raise an objection very validly. To.
My lord, my lord.
Fine. The next.
The next point, my lord, is that an ad hoc cannot be replaced by another ad hoc, my lord. That point is well taken, my lord. But in this matter, the ad hoc's appointment has been set aside on illegality, my lord. So an ad hoc has not been appointed after another ad hoc has demitted office. And the aspect of, my lord, the B.Ed degree being taken without
Online.
or permission without being taken, my lord.
That degree is valid.
That degree is valid, and
No proceeding has been instituted.
and all the benefits that will accrue otherwise to the degree, my lord.
Not Mitali.
My lord. That is
Yes, madam.
Your Lordship, in this connection, Your Lordship, it is stated by the directorate that the petitioner, that is Monwara Begum, who is the graduate teacher, and she was temporarily allowed to function as principal in charge of Gopal Boro Government High School, Dispur, District Kamrup, with financial power to draw and disburse the salaries and other admissible dues of the said school. And your Lordship, upon examination of the record, it appears that the respondent, Your Lordship, private respondent, that is Srimati Binita Kalita, was appointed as postgraduate teacher at Government Girls High School and MP School Tezpur, White Order dated 6/5/1997, which was issued by the DSC Education Assam, and accordingly joined the said school on 9/5/1997. Thereafter, she was transferred to Gopal Boro Government High School, Dispur, White Order dated 24/6/2024 on her 2004 on her own request.
Then
In the seniority, Your Lordship, private respondent number 5, petitioner respondent number 5 is, Your Lordship, senior, Your Lordship.
Then why did your director go and issue an order and create all these problems while appointing the respondent number 5? There are series of orders from this court that when a degree is obtained without permission, the degree cannot be invalidated. Your director forgets that temporarily at times. When a position has been settled by this court, who is the director to take a different view in the matter? We'll impose a cost on the director.
Will obtain one fresh instruction regarding
no
this, Your
instruction
Lordship.
is required. Whatever you have said is said. Anything to reply, Mr. Bopatra? Anything to reply?
My lord, as per the decision of this honorable court in number of judgments, my lord, the degree may be valid, the recognition, but that cannot be used for the career advancement, my lord.
Unfortunately, that is not the decision of this court. In Tonkeshwar Nath, Italy Sonwal, and even in before that also, my Lord Justice Buzarbura.
Buzarbura's judgment is there, my lord.
Buzarbura was an IA.
Yes.
It was incorporated in Tankeshwar Nath.
Yes.
Tankeshwar Nath, and then the judgment was issued.
I'll make a very humble submission before your lordship. Out of my long experience being associated with the higher education for last 45 years, I was a
no
teacher.
dispute on that.
No,
Nobody can dispute that.
No, I was a teacher, my lord.
I know that.
I was appointed for teaching the students, not for building career. Career advancement is just second year. And if your lordship is taking a decision today that whether a person is taking permission or not, then it will open a Pandora's box, and ultimately the young generation will be damaged because everybody will be busy with the career building. So that is my humble submission, as an having long experience for 45 years, Miller. I was also a teacher.
We'll keep that view in mind in an appropriate
Well,
case.
that is my humble appeal before your
Mr.
lordship.
Bhapatrago, I'm thankful to you that you have given me that perspective.
Right.
Unfortunately, that perspective was not there.
Yes, ma'am.
You've given it in a given case. We will consider that. I'll
Right.
keep that in mind.
And another matter, Miller, your lordship was taking in that he's a teacher of science, but he has not qualified when the qualifying marks in mathematics. So your lordship was taking that year. Milord, it is my humble appeal as a long experienced teacher, Milord, that your lordship will protect the system of education so that because of career, the young generation.
Bhapatrago, there is an issue there. What has happened is we have two combinations in science.
True.
Biomaths
Fine.
or biochem, or you have physics, maths,
Yes.
chemistry.
Yes.
Now the rules require a person to teach science and mathematics.
Right.
Science and mathematics.
True, Milord.
Now here what happened under the earlier 2011 rules, you were the AG. It was in your time, I think the 2000 new rules also came into being.
Yes, yes.
And new act also, you are the instrument behind that.
Yes, yes.
But therein there is no prescription with regard to combination, subject combination.
Mine.
So if you are a biochemistry also, you will have to be provincialized. If you are senior, you will have to be provincialized as a science teacher.
Yes, yes.
So one science teacher in a ME school is must. In that particular case that you were referring to, I was bound. I had to follow that the dictum or the precedents available, but I found that the man had plugged in his mathematics paper in his in his higher secondary examination, just like me. So it became the fourth paper. So how can I found it difficult to pass an order asking him to be appointed because he does not know maths. He can't teach maths. That is why what happened after that, I don't know. That matter is pending.
Yes, yes, sir. Milord, my simple submission in the greater interest of the young generation, Milord. As a teacher, if I am just busy in my career only, I am giving secondary importance to teaching, Milord. What will happen to the generation, Milord?
That's true.
So this is my humble submission before.
No, Mr. Bhapatrago, I don't know whether I can apply that in this case, but I assure you that perspective will be in my mind when I consider a matter in that line. I'll surely do that. Thanks for that.
Otherwise, Milord, it will open a Pandora's box. Anybody can prosecute any degree.
Anything more to be submitted by anyone?
No, Milord, this is enough.
Principal, your lordship, pertaining to principal, your lordship, the facts has not been reflected in the gradation list which was submitted by the principal, your lordship. So, your lordship, principal here needed to be appear, your lordship. At party.
Your director does not know anything.
Principal, your lordship.
Principal, whatever the principal will say, that he will know. Who is the principal? It's the director who is the cadre controlling authority, not the principal. But the Learned Council for the parties at length, hearing concluded, registered to list this matter, Kali, for delivery of orders. You need not be here, I'll pass the orders.
Milord, one simple point, Milord, I'm just giving difficulty to your lordship. The Rule 13 is nowhere, the constitutionality of Rule 13 is nowhere challenged in any petition, Milord. So as a statutory rule, then in that case, Milord, unless it is constitutional validity of the rule is challenged, it stands, Milord. Rule 13.
Yes.
That must, Milord. Thank you.
I'll surely take that.
Much obliged.
I'm deeply obliged.
Tomorrow at 2 p.m.
Much obliged.
May I take your lordship's indulgence in item number 79? Your lordship was pleased to fix the matter on 3rd of August. Could it be on 4th of August, your lordship?
4th of August.
I have taken the consent of the council for the petition.
4th of
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
As prayed for by the parties, registry to list this matter again on 29/7/2026, because there is a Supreme Court decision now. I've kept all the matters on 29/7. Given the opportunity to government.
Yes. Obliged.
Lordship, can it be taken up after some time? Senior counsel to ask about her with on legs. Lordship.
Yes, what do you have to say?
Lordship.
You say that he had cross-examined selectively some witnesses.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the material to support that?
I'll produce the
Record produces. You'll see today. 2 o'clock. Produce.
Today, it may not be possible.
That
After
is
court, my
what-
lord.
You have made a big statement.
Yes.
You're not covering it up with any records.
I'll produce the record, my lord.
Hmm?
Tomorrow or day after?
Tomorrow. As prayed for by the learned counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter again as the top of the list matter tomorrow.
Or most of it.
Mr. Learned counsel for the respondent shall produce the records in original, records of the departmental proceeding instituted against the petitioner in original.
Most of it.
Lordship, the matter relates to regularization. So here your lordship, finance is a necessary party.
Forget your finance department. Tell me your stand.
So your lordship they may take necessary steps for implement of the financial, because
That
financial
you leave it to
consequences
this-
is there.
That you leave it to this court. You make your submissions. In the light of the recent decision of the Supreme Court.
Yes, your lordship. Yeah, your lordship, we will.
As prayed for by the learned counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter again on 29/7/2026. The other matters are coming up on 29/7.
Permitted here. Your lordship.
Same.
Same.
Yes, who is appearing for the AG? Proposal submitted?
Lordship, we have received just now the instruction, your lordship.
I'll take it up after some.
After some time. Lordship.
Obliged, ma'am.
My lord, the brief has been taken from us. What has happened, my lord? Dulde Bodhikari. The petitioners, my lord. Item number 40, my lord. There is a second writ petition in the line of litigation, my lord. The first writ petition was WPC number 5049 of 2022. That petition, my lord, was dismissed. And this petition has been filed to challenge a subsequent promotion of the private respondent. The brief had eventually been taken away from us, my lord, but that order of the learned single judge has been listed today before Honorable Court number 19, my lord, for review.
Which one?
The first writ petition in this line, my lord.
You have filed a review petition.
No, we have not filed. A separate set of counsels are filed, my lord.
No, there is a subsequent set of counsels, but their names are not reflected.
No, my lord, in the writ petition, the wakalatnama has not been filed by the new set of counsels.
Not filed.
Not filed, because our names are reflected. As I understand, the first writ petition, which was dismissed, has been put under review today, my lord, before court number 19. There they have a separate set of counsels.
But here this matter was dismissed for default. And then it was, there was an IA filed.
For restoration, my lord.
Restoration, and the matter was restored.
My lord.
But there is nobody representing the petitioners here.
So here the issue is, my lord, promotion in the Pollution Control Board, where the petitioners are admittedly senior, but the degree was undertaken by way of a distance education in Ahom, my lord. And the course was given by Sikkim Manipal. So under
Ms. M. Day.
M. Dev and P. Dev, my lord, they're the review petitioners, but our names are reflected in this writ petition, my lord, since our appeared.
So you approach the registry for deletion of your name.
My lord, we'll do that, my lord, we'll do that. But the review might influence this Writ petition also, my lord. That's my humble submission, my lord. Can I do that?
Mr. M. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the brief of the matter has been withdrawn from them and a new set of counsels in all probability have been appointed. Accordingly, he submits that the registry may be appointed in the matter. However, no counsel, however, the names of the new set of counsels is not found to be reflected in the cost title, and no wakalatnama is also found on the records. So, registry to verify the matter and list the same after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed.
My lord. Lordship, one submission. Lordship, in fact, the writ petition which was already dismissed, filed by the same petitioner, that writ petition order has come into challenge by way of a review. Yes. So if at all this matter will have some.
No, Ms. Deb is here. You're this matter. No, why did you not file a wakalatnama here?
No, sir, earlier I have a file wakalatnama.
It's not there in the records.
Last time again we have filed. Earlier also, lordship. That was filed.
Ms. M. Deb, learned counsel submits that she is now presently representing the petitioner in the present proceedings. However, her name has not been listed in the cost list. Although she submits that an wakalatnama has already been filed.
Why is filed?
Wakalatnama has been filed in the matter. Also, registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks, reflecting the name of Ms. M. Deb, learned counsel for the petitioner in the cost list. Conviction stayed.
Conviction state. But there is a direction to pay the area subsidy allowance. Kindly see, my lord, order dated 12/11.
Not paid.
Till that not paid.
Who is to pay?
My lord, executive engineer, my lord.
PWD.
Irrigation.
Who is for irrigation?
And Upadhan is
Get Mr. N. Upadhan.
Here, I am challenging the promotion of press number 7 and 8, the post of senior assistant manager.
No affidavit has been filed.
Affidavit from the government file, my lord.
Filed?
Yes, sir. In fact, I have filed my reply also. But as regards the rest number 7 and 8, they have not filed, my lord.
Oh, Haflong. Oh, Haflong. This is by the Haflong.
Yeah, treasury.
PWD is a transferred subject. PWD is a transferred subject.
No, it's a treasury, my lord.
Treasury. Treasury is a transferred subject. Yes.
We have filed affidavit, my lord. That's point number 6.
6 has filed, my lord.
And reply also filed.
6 is the authority, appointing authority.
Selection of
Selection board, my lord.
And also I am applying for the respondent number 3 and 4, not 4, 3.
Anybody for the private respondents? No.
Private respondent.
Oh, they have filed their appellate number in the cause list. Name have been shown, my lord.
Item number 42. They have been shown. Okay. What do you want to do today?
Let the file also.
Otherwise, I have filed my reply also.
Fine. Pleadings are complete. You can argue the matter.
Only difficulty, my lord, somehow I misplaced my.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks. 3 weeks on a date to be fixed, right?
On a May I prefer fixed date, my lord?
No, you get your things cleared. Next date, whenever 3 weeks.
No, my lord, that's why, my lord, I'm saying, my lord.
2 weeks, 2 weeks, Kuidi.
On after 3rd of August, my lord, any date after 3rd of August, my lord.
Okay, come. Mr. Padgiri, did your husband at least work for some time?
My lord,
62.
my lord.
Then 70, some late 70s onwards, he's on leave.
My lord, due to my lord.
So what is your qualifying service? Qualifying service would be less than 10 years.
My lord, here now, the director wrote to the government. Now government has raised few queries, my lord. Now we are unable to, even a director office doesn't have much of their any records, my lord. That is what the problem, my lord.
So you joined in
98.
98.
98, my lord. No,
98 he retired.
Retired, my lord.
Joining is 60 something.
My lord.
UL 78, almost 78 to
6362. 6362. You joined. Right?
My lord.
First round of absentation is from? First round of EOL is from?
My lord,
8878.
No. 83? 78.
78.
83. Give me the dates. 83.
It is not clear whether UL
88, 1978 to 31, 3, 1998.
31/3/98.
My lord, here, my lord will come to page number 23 of the writ petition. It is there. Page
number
23, annexure 5 of the writ. It says service book says that, my lord, it is not clear whether EOL of 8878 to 31/3/98.
So during the period of EOL, will that period be counted as qualifying service? It cannot be.
It cannot be.
Qualifying service will not be. EOL will not be qualifying service. So you will have a qualifying service from 62 to 78.
My lord.
16 years.
20 years.
Fortunate 10 years plus now.
10 years plus.
When did you retire? 98.
98.
98, what was the position?
Again, from 78 to 98, my lord, absent, my lord.
Absent, totally absent.
Totally absent.
You did not take any procedure?
No, my lord, the thing is that even it's like he was a lost case. The directorate didn't know even that he exists, my lord. That is what happened, my lord. He was, means out of sight, out of mind, my lord, it become like this. For 20 years, he was not there. So everybody forgot about him.
In the year 2005, my lord, pension proposal has been submitted, my lord. Pension proposal has been submitted, my lord, but AG raised
But with
objection.
this period, how can they process that? What is the query raised by the government now?
Regarding this, whether there is any document to say that he came or any documents.
You hold that from 78 to 98, he is not there because he is not disputing that. Then proceed with the matter, Mr.
No. 79, yes, my lord.
78 to 98, he is not there. So how do you regularize this period? You can't even give him EOL for this period.
That also, my lord, is to go to governor, my lord, is only if
Mr. Bhatt submits that the matter with regard to regularization of the period of absence of the husband of petitioner with effect from 8/8/78 to 31/3/98 is presently under process and prays that the correspondence be granted further 6 weeks time to arrive at a conclusion with regard to the same. Pray accept registry to list this matter again after 6 weeks on a date to be fixed by. Because you are in a fix. You are in a fix.
Yes, my lord.
Offline. Item 41, my lord.
Lordship, we have two things here, Lordship. First of all, Lordship, his subscription allowance has to be paid area, Lordship. It is in the process, Lordship.
When will you pay?
By August, Lordship.
No?
Lordship, kindly see, Lordship,
31st
the
of
budget
July.
has to be,
31st of July.
budget has to come,
Oh,
Lordship.
that is for your headache, nothing.
Lordship may fix the matter in 16 August, Lordship.
No.
By August, we are paying, Lordship.
No.
There is a direction, my lord, pay within 1/12/2025, my lord. Kindly see order dated 12/11, my lord.
It will be on a priority basis, Lord.
Sorry,
Lordship.
you will have to.
Lordship.
This is now no arms being given. to
Lordship,
you.
Lord,
That is it,
definitely, Lord.
right?
I understand.
Now we should be put an interest to that and ask the government to recover it from the officials who had defaulted.
Lordship,
Do you want me to pass that order?
No, no, Lordship.
Then pay him by 31st. Where is that order to pay
12/11, my lord.
12/11
2025,
in this proceeding?
my lord.
Yes, what have you done?
Pay within 1/12.
1/12/25 you said.
Thereafter, Lordship, the proposal
It is submitted by Mr. N. Upadhyay that although a direction undertaking was given before this court on 12/11/25 by the respondents that the area subsistence allowance of the petitioner shall be released on or before 1/12/2025, they said has not been released till now in view of the fact that the budget allocation for the amount involved has not been received. Also, this court notices that an undertaking having been given before this court to release the subsistence allowance of the petitioner on or before 1/12/2025, a violation of the said undertaking has occasioned. Accordingly, this court directs the respondents to release to the petitioner the subsistence allowance, areas of the subsistence allowance on or before 31/7/2026, along with interest thereon to be calculated with effect from 1/12/2025 at bank norms.
Lordship.
The interest amount is permissible to be recovered by the respondent authorities
Yes.
from the officials who were required to process the matter for release of the subsistence allowance to the petitioner on or before 1/12.
Lord. In both cases, my lord, in 45, item 45, my lord, I have received, my lord, all benefits, my lord.
45 you have received.
My lord.
44?
And 44, my lord, within 1 week, my lord, I'll
withdraw it.
My lord.
Mr. K.R. Padgiri, learned counsel for the respondent, submits that the grievance of the petitioners in the present petition has been redressed and the petitioner in WPC number 370/2025 has been released his benefits, while the petitioner in WPC number 368/2025 would be released his benefits by the next week. So accordingly, he submits that he be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition, the above noted writ petitions. Prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for the respondents. Accordingly, the above noted writ petitions accordingly, the writ petitions being WPC number stands dismissed on withdrawal.
Oblige.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, this is regarding non-payment of area wages of the petitioner for a period of almost 1 year, lordship. That is, lordship, amounting to rupees 1,82,300. Period, lordship, September 2022 to February 2024.
September
2022 to February 2024. Initially, the petitioner was appointed, lordship, as the driver of the president of Villa Parishad Hailakandi. That is at page
Where
number,
is the order?
Page number 29. It starts from page number 28, my lord. Dated 16 September 2015. To meet the emergency requirement of driver of so and so got allotted vehicle, Sri Bilaluddin Muzumdar, that is the petitioner of so and so, is hereby engaged as driver on purely temporary basis on lump sum wages of 200 per day for a period of 90 days with effect from 15/7/2025. Subsequently, lordship, this order was continued, and the last order by which the extension was given, that is at page number 48. Dated 7 June 2022. Bilaluddin Mazumdar so and so as daily wages driver of president of so and so temporary basis on a lump sum 350 per day for a period of so and so.
Now, after this, there is no order.
After that, admittedly, Lordship, there is no order.
Fine.
But Lordship,
That claim now is from September 22 to February 2024.
yes, Lordship.
For which there is no order covering your appointment.
Yes, Lordship.
They have filed an affidavit wherein they have rejected your claim. They have not accepted your claim.
Yes, Lordship. Page number 130 of their affidavit, 2 lines regarding the bills, Lordship, which I have submitted. At paragraph number 16, they said that the allegations made by
Matter of record.
Yes, Lordship, part of record. And that they have submitted that countersign of any authority other than the competing. Now, Lordship, the admitted position is this, Lordship. There is no order of my engagement that is admitted. And Lordship, I have worked there till 2024 February. That is also, Lordship, the documents, Lordship, which are there, and those are part of the record. Now, so far as the
Now, who is the person to pay you this amount?
Lordship, Chief Executive Officer, Jilla Parishad, Lordship, he is the appointing authority, Lordship. And Lordship, so far the earlier extensions are concerned. If Lordship may kindly come to page number 45 for a moment. Almost, Lordship, all the orders are like this. I'm just referring to orders, page number 45. Order dated 6 May 2021. By this order, the last line is hereby temporarily on 350 rupees only per day for a period of 89 days. 1 day gap completion of his earlier order with effect from 17/1/2021.
Okay, we'll ask the Commissioner Department of Panchayat to look into the matter, examine it, hear both the parties, and then come to a conclusion with that. Right? That will do.
That will do.
But Mr. M. Ahmed, M. Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. P. Kumar, Learned Additional Advocate General appearing for the along with the Additional Advocate General, along with Mr. A.K. Ghosh, Learned Standing Counsel, Panchayat and Rural Development, appearing for all the respondents.
Yes, Your Lordship.
All the respondents. The petitioner in the present writ petition has raised a grievance with regard to the inaction on the part of the respondent authorities in releasing his area salaries, area wages for the period with effect from September 2022 to February 2024.
We did.
The petitioner was initially engaged as a driver on temporary basis on a lump sum payment of wage of rupees 200 for a period of 90 days with effect from 15/7/2015, while an order dated 16/9/2015 issued by the Chief Executive Officer, Jilla Parishad, Hailakandi. The said engagement of the petitioner was continued with by issuance of fresh orders of engagement from time to time. The last of such engagement of the petitioner was so effective, while an order dated 7/6/2022 issued by the Chief Executive Officer, Jilla Parishad, Hailakandi, by which the services of the petitioner was continued with effect from 12/4/2022 to 9/7/2022. It is an admitted position that after 9/7/2022, there is no order brought on record, no order issued towards further engaging the petitioner as a driver in the establishment of the Jilla Parishad, Hailakandi. However, the petition, by bringing on record various logbooks as well as various logbooks for the period after 7/6/97/2022 has projected that he was continued to be engaged for the works of a driver till February 2024. The petitioner projects that his salaries for the period with effect from September 2022 till February 2022, however, his wages for the period from September 2022 to February 2024 have, however, not been released. So, the respondents have also filed an affidavit in the matter and therein have projected that the contention of the petitioner that he was being continuously engaged after 9/7/2022 till February 2024 would not mandate an acceptance inasmuch as there is no order brought on record issued by a competent authority towards engaging the petitioner after 9/7/2022. However, further, the respondent have also denied the fact that the petitioner had worked as a driver after 9/7/2022 till February 2024. With regard to the logbooks submitted by the petitioner, it is projected by the respondents in the said affidavit that the same not being countersigned by a competent authority or by a competent departmental authority, the same cannot be reckoned for the purpose of adjudicating the claim raised by the petitioner in the present writ petition. In view of the above contradictory stance taken by the parties to the proceedings and also a dispute being raised by the respondents with regard to the continuance of the petitioner in his service as a driver after 9/7/2022, considering the fact that the petitioner has brought on record the logbooks pertaining to demonstrate that he had actually discharged duties as a driver after 9/7/2022 till February 2022. This court is of the considered view that the issue would now be required to be examined. The factual position existing in the matter is required to be determined by a departmental authority. Also, accordingly, the petitioner is directed to approach the Commissioner, Panchayat and Rural Development Department by way of submitting a detailed representation along with all requisite materials to demonstrate that he was continuously being engaged for the works of a driver after 9/7/2022 till February 2024. Also, on receipt of such a representation from the petitioner, the Commissioner Panchayat and Rural Development Department shall hold a hearing in the matter, and upon hearing the petitioner as well as the authorities of the Hailakandi Jilla Parishad proceed to determine the claim of the petitioner claim of the petitioner for being authorized his areas of wages with effect from September 2022 to February 2024. Basing on the determination as made by the Commissioner, Panchayat and Rural Development Department, the claim of the petitioner be redressed accordingly. In the event the petitioner is found to be entitled to any area wages, the same shall be released to the petitioner within a period of expeditiously. The above process shall be initiated and concluded by the respondent, by the Commissioner, Panchayat and Rural Development Department within a period of 6 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order along with the representation from the petitioner hearing. With the above observations and directions, the present petition stand. If he has got something, if he's getting it, give it to him, finish it up.
Oblige.
Or you go and file a case against that precedent. As agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, 29/7. I've fixed all this matters on 29/7.
Oblige.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, how can we help you?
Directing, already direction is there.
Direction is there. I can't,
That-
I can't direct for creation of posts. I can't create a promotional avenue for you.
But MACP benefit is not a promotion, man.
It is not, it's just
Definitely, there is
it's just a bump. It's a bump.
only one increment.
No, but how can I help you? I can't.
Let them come with their affidavit, my lord. Thereafter, lordship will ask.
They are not even represented. Nobody is interested. We'll ask the director, who is the competent authority?
Order was, earlier order was passed by the, my lord.
Commissioner,
Yes, yes. my lord.
Food and Public Distribution
Yes.
Consumer Affairs. We'll ask him to be here.
My lord. Another
Maybe Standing
opportunity.
Council for Food and Food Public Distribution Consumer Affairs.
No, standing council is there, I think.
Standing Council.
Government advocate will represent.
Nobody is represented. That's why I said.
Let them come with their affidavit, my lord. Sometime maybe. 50.
Lordship, yes, sir.
Yes, what is your stand?
Lordship.
Now, this court had directed for formulation of an appropriate scheme.
Lordship.
That is not, that cannot be now put up with the MACP scheme. That is different.
Lordship.
But what happened to that 1973 relook? Because when 1973 rules were framed, computers were not there. So how will data entry operators come? You have not done that. Why have you not done that?
So that,
There is nothing here. This is only MACP. This is already on record.
on that count, I have to take.
No, not that count. We want why the orders of this court was not appropriately addressed. Direction. Come to page 45.
Okay.
Lordship.
Para 6.
Yes. Going to the proposition of laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court in so we accordingly issued a direction to the authority in the Food and Civil Supply and Consumer Affairs Department, Government of Assam, to formulate an appropriate scheme providing for appropriate promotional relief to the petitioner in view of the acceptance of the situation that the post of the data entry operator are ex-cater and would not be covered for promotion by the rule of 1973. The relevant scheme be framed within a period of 3 months. From that, Lordship, I have to take a specific instruction on this regard, Lordship.
Why? I'm giving you the instructions.
Yes,
You've
Lord.
not read it. You come to page 50. Show me that this order of this court was complied with.
Lordship, I will.
Page 50. We are drawing up contempt against this officer. Who is it? Anusa Dr. Borua, Secretary. She's
Lordship,
still the Secretary.
This seems to be the Secretary, Lordship.
Oh.
Secretary to the Government of Assam.
Oh. What was the order passed by this court and what is the direction passed? Who does not know that there is an MACP scheme that this court knows?
Yes.
This court said we cannot
Lordship,
direct.
Lordship, may Lordship fix the matter in the next week, Lordship. I will,
Mr. Goswami.
Yes.
Learned J.K. Goswami, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits, learned additional senior government advocate, appearing for the respondent, submit that he would receive instructions as to why the direction of this court passed, why the directions passed by this court by judgment and order dated 7/11/2022 in WPC number 4612/2019 for formulation of an appropriate scheme for providing promotional relief to the petitioners was not complied with and the matter disposed of by only holding that the MACP scheme formulated in the matter would redress the grievance of the petitioners. Written instructions in this connection be received from the competent authority of the food, public distribution, consumer affairs and legal metrology, Department of Food, public grievance, Assam, Government of Assam. By on the and placed before this court on the next date of listing. Registry to list this matter again on 23/7/2026. Yes, Mr. Pleadings are complete in this matter.
Pleadings are completed, man.
We'll hear this matter. This will require some hearing. It is submitted at that the pleadings in the matter is complete and accordingly the matter can be taken up for final consideration. As agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, the registry to list this matter again on 5/8/2026. 5/8 for admission hearing.
Obliged, man.
In this case, my
Yes, have you submitted?
Lordship, I have a communication, Lordship. Lordship, it's dated 16/6/26, Lordship. The pension records and relevant records have been asked to the executive engineer to be submitted to the.
Who has instructed you to appear in this court today? Who has instructed, you are not the standing counsel. Who has instructed you to appear in this court with this submissions?
Lordship.
Who has, nothing against you. Who has instructed you?
Lordship.
Who is the counsel who has instructed?
I bought
Ask Mr. Ibot Thakur to be here.
Lordship.
These are outdated instructions.
Lordship.
19th, your instruction is of 16th.
Lordship, last
This
order.
matter was of 19th.
The same submission was made on the last occasion.
Then why are you reiterating that today?
Lordship, updated instructions are to be required, Lordship. I'll get that next week. Lordship.
No, today. And if you don't get it, we are getting your officer here. Last time I spared you, but this time I'm not going to. Before I rise at 1 o'clock, I want Mr. Bhattakur here. As prayed for by the learned counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter again on 29/7. I placed all these matters on 29/7. Orders are ready. Only Mr. Bhattakur, I'm giving him an opportunity to say something.
Also, in this case,
Why have you not issued?
also in this case, Lordship,
No. Where is the railways?
No, Lordship, in this case, respondent has engaged learned senior counsel D. Soikia, Lordship. He has specifically requested to have the matter on 17, Lordship. For Oil India Limited, Lordship.
Where is Mr. Das?
Lordship, he is on legs in court number 1, Lordship.
As agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter again on 17.
Lordship, there is also an
7.
interim order.
Huh?
Lordship, there is also an interim order.
17/7/2026. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of this house.
Thank you, obliged, Lordship.
The pleadings complete, my lord. Yesterday I have filed.
But Mr. Kotogi, 4-year period for 48. But if there is a fraud,
There is no allegation of fraud.
but this
No,
is
Milord, that
something
is
which you
not-
have done, that was uncovered subsequently.
No, my lord, what happened, this is not fraud, my lord. Adjustment earlier were allowed. Probably that's the difficulty.
You received premium from someone, you adjusted it against someone. See that as it may. So the person who gave the premium check, he did not get his premium renewed. Somebody else got it, and there is an allegation that you and the agents and all have done
And
something.
there is no, yes.
The interpretation. Now you say, because this is beyond 4 years, this cannot be. But they have filed an affidavit and have said that this was uncovered only in 24. So this rules has two aspects.
That's why I am coming to your lordship, that in a departmental proceeding, you cannot borrow any outside materials. You know? No, question. Neither in the search sheet nor anywhere. In earlier show cause also, they never alleged that this was disclosed here on such and such. So I'll satisfy.
I got your point. Even in the affidavit, they have said that this was uncovered only in 24. But how? That they have not.
They have not said.
Yes, how have you uncovered?
Lordship, my senior is out of state.
Senior, you are before me, you will have to answer my query. Well, what is this?
Please.
You have filed an affidavit,
Yes, Lordship.
right? Therein you say you got to know it in 24. Nobody complained before that, because this incident is happening from 2015 to 2020. He retired in 22. You got it in 24. If LIC is acting in this manner, we should also now give it a rethought. Our money is not safe, maybe.
Lordship.
Where is Mr. Doctor?
Lordship is out of station.
Let it be taken.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter again. When?
Any day, maybe.
Readings complete. Readings complete.
Complete.
When is Mr. Doctor coming back?
Lordship, tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
On 27/22. I just want that, how they have come. If they want to file an affidavit, let them file it. Otherwise, that it will be a gray area.
Interim order parcel.
An interim order passed earlier to continue until further orders. Then you are now in the clear. But if I get something on that they could only detect, they have not filed a detailed affidavit. That's true.
There is nothing.
But once they come up with that, then
That's the difficulty here, Milord. In the earlier show cause also, they never disclosed this fact, nor in the search sheet they allege anything that this was detected. And what in search sheet said, this act means which I received the check. Meaning thereby, my lord, therefore I am here. Otherwise not. They said that this is your act.
no, if generally we should go by that 4-year line. But if they are alleging fraud, then fraud will unravel everything.
But in the search sheet, there was no allegation at all. So far the fraud is concerned.
We'll see.
My lord.
Obliged. Lordship.
None appears for the petition.
No.
56 is.
56 is beleg. 56 beleg hoise. It was beleg case.
Mr. A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. S. Doctor for an adjournment in the matter on the ground that he's not in
Out of station.
He's out of station today. Also, well, as Doctor or senior counselor. Also, in view of the above, registry to list this matter again after there is an interim order. No.
9
After
Nine.
after how long?
Please.
That's why I asked you how long.
Lordship, any date as your
On 31/7/2026. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date.
Here I please sometime because of
But
miscommunication. Lordship.
Mr. H.R. Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. S.S. Roy, Learned CGC appearing for the respondents. Mr. Roy submits that he be granted time till
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks. I don't think. You give me a date.
On 31st July.
Time till 31/7/2026 to file an affidavit. in the
No
matter.
affidavit, Lordship, instruction because his case was his forensic.
File
Yes,
affidavit.
within 2 weeks, then affidavit is because it has to be come from the Delhi, Lordship.
To complete his instructions in the matter and apprise this court of the stand of the respondents. Also, with regard to the claim made by the petitioner, present with petition. Also, accordingly, registry to list this matter again on 31/7. What happened today? No petitioners are there. Have you given him the provisional pension? Mr. Chakraborty, have you given him the provisional? Why?
Like I don't have instruction.
Why? The man has retired
My lord, I have seen.
long back. Huh?
2023.
63, 2 years down the lane. Why the provisional pension is not given?
My lord, I'll just take instruction, my lord. Maybe
When?
next week, my lord.
On the prayer of Ms. P. Chakraborty, Learned Counsel for the Learned Standing Council,
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
And seals.
NC Hills. A registry to list this matter again on 23/7/2026. In the event the petitioner has not been released his provisional pension, the respondent shall release his provisional pension, if there is no other legal impediment on or before the next date of listing. Now do, then come back. Yes.
He's in BC also.
Argument.
May I please, my lord?
Hmm.
Item
You are for the petitioner.
petitioner, my lord.
Hmm.
So
We got the rules and the select list.
My lord, I have got the rules, my lord.
What is the provision in the rules with regard to seniority? Item number kimano whatever. I can have.
Rule 20, my lord.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Khan.
my lord,
Hmm.
whatever, my lord, now the private respondent, he is placed in a higher level in seniority. So earlier there was a selection process. Subsequent to the selection process, he was selected. Then I challenged his selection on the ground that I should have been selected and on the basis of reservation, but he was selected. Subsequently, single judge have set aside his selection and directed that I should be appointed in his place. Then he moved, then he challenged that before the division bench in the writ appeal. In the writ appeal, he was allowed to continue.
You are a general community candidate.
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
Yes.
Or a OBC.
I am general, my lord. The OBC got the highest mark. That is why he was appointed as a general candidate, my lord. That's serial number 1. There are 2 posts for unreserved category.
You are otherwise general.
I am otherwise general, my lord, and I secured the second highest point.
So what is the error? How can you be granted seniority?
My lord, as per my lord, the division bench order passed by this honorable court. at
Division
which-
bench order said against any other post.
But my lord, my service is continuing, my,
Service continuation does not mean that you will also have seniority.
my lord.
Because see, you are not, you cannot be appointed. You might have a merit position, but you cannot be appointed.
Yes, but my lord, I was adjusted against a vacancy that was not advertised, my lord.
That advertised, that is something outside the purview. Not
Yes,
not in the normal advertised posts. So your seniority cannot be fixed under 20.
But my lord, my appointment was in an earlier point of time, my lord.
Be that as it may, that was interfered with by this court.
Yes, my lord, but when
And then went up to the division bench said, accommodate you against any other post.
Yes,
And that accommodation is a fresh appointment.
but my lord, the division bench at paragraph 10, my lord, kindly be produced, my lord, page 48 of WBC number 2071 of 2023. Paragraph 10, page 48. In such view a matter and as agreed by the party.
Continue in his services by adjusting his services against available vacant post.
Yes.
So that means you will be against some other post. You are not even in the select, you cannot be in the select list now.
But my lord, this finding of the honorable division bench is certain finality, my lord.
Because you had the post that was to be given to a woman candidate.
Yes, man.
Was given to you. That was interfered with.
Yes, man.
Went up to the High Court. High Court division bench said against any other post. So now your appointment for that period would be fortuitous and the appointment will be counted from the date this order of the division bench was implemented. So you are junior to here. When were you appointed?
My lord,
It cannot be applied in your case.
my appointment, my lord, annexure 5, my lord, page 49, 29 December 2018.
And when was the respondent number 5 herein appointed? Fresh appointment?
Fresh appointment 9th of January 2019.
You will get everything, but you will not get the seniority.
My lord, that observation made by the division bench has not been interfered with. my lord.
We'll do that. We'll interpret it. Now, when the court has said that she was to be appointed, court has held
Yes.
that it is the right of the petitioner herein to be appointed. Then it took a lenient view, compassionate view, because there was no fault on your part. So now you have been assigned. Where is the seniority list, Mr. Khan, which is you are agreed with?
My lord. In this, lordship is taking out WPC 1432.
In 2071, it is at page 63, my lord.
2071 page?
63.
63. So Diganta Sharma is you.
Yes, ma'am.
At serial number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
And Chaitali at serial number 5. So Chaitali will be placed in terms of her merit position obtained in the selection process. And you will be placed in terms of the date of your appointment.
My date of appointment is 21/7/2014, ma'am.
Should be the fresh one in terms of the adjustment order. We'll have to give some meaning to the Women Reservation Act. If the
Yes,
Women Reservation Act was implemented, you are not in the fray.
Yes, my lord.
You're gone.
Yes, ma'am. That
So it
is
is only because of the directions of the division bench that you are now coming in. You get everything from 2014. Seniority will be in terms of for the others, it will be in terms of the merit position obtained by them in the selection process.
Yes, ma'am.
For you, it will be in terms of your date of appointment, which would be 19. That means you will be placed at serial number 5 or 6.
My lord, can it be, my lord, from date of the passing of the judgment by the division bench, my lord? In terms of this judgment, my lord, I have been appointed, my lord. It was passed on 13/7/2018. And my lord, this finding is not interfered with, my lord. It has attained finality.
We will not cause prejudice to the lady.
But my lord, there is no fault on my part, my lord.
Your fault is not there. That is why you have a service. You were not even entitled to that service. Because that act,
Had it been applied thoroughly.
the act is overwhelming, over-prevailing. Act does not require a further incorporation in the advertisement. It is automatic.
Yes, my lord, after rendering my lord 12 years of service, my lord, then that's
Mr.
no
Khan, give me a
fault.
small note on this, your submissions. Give me a small note.
My lord.
My lord, after 12 years of service, my lord, that to no fault on my part, my lord.
We will go to the root of the matter. You are not entitled. You are entitled only because of the directions of the division bench.
Yes, my lord.
So
And the
that
division bench-
means against a future vacancy, and that vacancy is also not within the purview of this election process. Anyway,
Yes,
the
my lord.
division bench has rightly protected you. You will continue with that protection, but you will not get your senior.
My lord, regarding seniority, my
Anything
lord,
more to be submitted?
My lord.
Anything more to be submitted?
My lord, I would like to submit one judgment, my lord, in this line.
You give it to me along with your written arguments.
My lord. By tomorrow morning, 10:30, my lord.
my lord, regarding my lord, the seniority, the division bench has not said anything.
That
my
is why we will say no.
lord. Yes, my lord, but my lord, if the division bench
This
say
rule
that-
20 will come in to place for persons who have been appointed in the manner contemplated under the rules. You have not been appointed in the manner contemplated under the rules. So you cannot be covered by 20. You'll be beyond 20. But the learned counsel for the parties at some length. Hearing remains in. I'm just putting it like this. I'll pass the orders. Registry to list this matter. Oh, khali gundi na ase. Hello. 22/7/2026. You give me a note before that.
My lord.
If you have any judgment to rely upon.
my lord, I'll definitely place. Before 22nd, I'll place.
I'm grateful, my lord.
Yes, where is your affidavit? Who is appearing for the respondent? Comment. Nobody for the education department. Elementary. Elementary, and Director Elementary as Chutia. Where is Miss Chutia? Get hold of somebody from the elementary education department. Not Mr. Miss Chutia. Not senior counsel, Mr. Chutia.
Lordship, I'll take her.
They have not filed an affidavit, the respondents, in terms of.
My lord, we have not filed, my lord. We have prepared.
You don't file. We wanted an affidavit
From the,
respondents.
my lord.
Why the delay? Forwarding the.
Yes, my lord. Last orders, my lord, there is a direction, my lord.
Get hold of somebody from the elementary education and higher education.
Obliged. I tell you all of this.
Anybody, even the department, because it's a secretary involved, any council will do. Mr. Bhuya, we'll have it in the second half.
My lord.
In this case, lordship, my colleague holding the brief, lordship, she wants some time to file the affidavit, lordship.
DP was drawn long back, my lord.
She is not present today, lordship, and she just telephoned me, lordship, to take some time, lordship.
This casual nature of things will not permit. If you had any difficulty, you could have circulated a memo yesterday. Now, what is happening? The proceeding started in 2013. Enquiry report 2020. He submits, today it's 26 years retired. Still no orders. Why?
Lordship,
Is it such a complicated matter? 3 o'clock, I wonder.
Lordship, I'm not in this case.
You are not in this case, you are a
And
standing
Lordship-
counsel, ask your thing why the orders are.
And
not.
my difficulty is, Lordship, I have to go, my wife is not ailing, Lordship, so I have to go to, Lordship, to her, Lordship, now. So she telephoned me, Lordship, offered.
Prayer, on the prayer of the Lennox Standing Council Irrigation Department, registered to list this matter again on Friday. On the next date of listing, the Standing Council Elementary Irrigation Department shall apprise this court as to the further developments taking place in the departmental proceedings instituted against the petition after filing of the present. Orders have been passed.
No order, man. And I'm paying a provisional pension, man.
You're getting.
Provisional pension I'm
Next day,
getting.
we will clear it off.
Lordship.
And that is a ground for quashing of the proceedings. This delay, 2013 onwards.
Lordship,
If you can't conclude the proceedings, why are you holding proceedings?
Yes.
I want that instruction. Mr. N. Upadhyay, learned Standing Council Irrigation Department, who is present for the respondents, shall communicate a copy of this order to the respondents for compliance.
Deeply obliged.
Now you get it.
Lordship, in that case, Lordship, fix the next week, Lordship.
Monday.
Lordship.
This is a hearing matter.
Admission, madam.
Admission, Lordship.
Admission.
20th.
20. Communication.
My lord, can it be taken up tomorrow, my lord?
No, I don't, not tomorrow. What is this practice you are now taking? You send a young boy with a outdated instruction and you ask him to place it before this court.
He was not properly instructed, my lord. I
No,
will-
this is the second time I am noticing this incident happening. You are trying to make a sacrificial thing of a young counsel.
I will.
Mr. Bhattakur, this is not appreciated by the school. You were to give us instructions today. 1960 order is. What happened? Have you sent the papers to the AG?
Lordship, just now I have talked with the office, Lordship. I have not received any.
Why?
I have asked for instruction, my lord. Then
You're
it
not
has
giving.
not
Whom
come
have you asked for?
to the department, my lord.
Who is the departmental authority?
Uh,
Ask him to be here by 2 o'clock with all the records. Pension matter,
Yes, my lord.
taking it casually. 2 o'clock. Who is the authority?
Tomorrow, my lord, I will.
PCCF or your secretary, who should come? Yeah, we don't have. This is a pension matter. We will do.
Tomorrow,
Not
my lord, I
tomorrow,
will make
today,
some phone calls.
Today. This is not the forest department. This file cannot circulate again. It also creates a lot of problem for everyone.
3 my lord, I will make some phone
2
calls, my lord.
2 o'clock, there are some matters. In the serially, she will call. I want the instruction.
Obvious.
Mr. Ahmed, at second up. And please see to that these sort of things are not done in the next. Mr. Das, what are you waiting for?
Contempt matters are there, my lord. We find it difficult to implement the orders of the court. So the another hurdle.
Mr. Dotto is there in one matter, 63. He is not present today.
In 70 and
70. How many contempts are there? 2.
3 one.
Next one?
66, 70 is there, Khadi board.
66.
66 is there. Malad, there, Malad, the chairman of the board, municipal board, he is running away. He is not signing it because they are entitled to get arrear amount from 2016. Unless he is called, Malad, it is expert.
Who is appearing for him?
Malad, no, nobody. Malad, there is an order for going expert against him. And field report is that he is just not signing.
Mr. Chutia had appeared and he said that he'll complete his instructions by today. Yes. In that matter, 66 to some.
Yes, the chairman is not signing it. That is what I understand.
Yes, Mr. Chutia had taken time, last date, to apprise this court to complete his instructions from respond number 3, 4, 3 and 4. Yes, Mr. Goswami, what is your instructions?
Lordship,
Why this amount is not being released to them?
Page 24, your lordship will kindly see the statements are there. Petitioner name is at serial number 10.
Hmm.
Amount is 5,11,000 only.
Lords-
He retired, he doesn't have any money, my lord.
yes, Lordship, here in this case, I can do one thing, Lordship.
You don't do anything, you said
Yes,
by instruction you have received in terms of the last order.
yes, Lordship, Lordship, that instruction, Lordship, I have to receive, Lordship, through respondent 4, Lordship. Because, Lordship, we are not on 3, Lordship, but on 4, Lordship, I will bring, Lordship. 4 is the executive officer.
Okay, till that time you get your instruction, we are stopping the salaries of the respondent number 4.
No, Lordship,
We are stopping.
no, Lordship, next week, Lordship.
Let him also understand.
Tomorrow, Lordship.
Let him also understand.
no,
If he finds any problem, let him also understand what happens if the salaries are stopped.
Lordship, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, any date, Lordship.
Today.
Lordship, tomorrow, Lordship.
Mr. Goswami, this files for the fund check, taking an adjournment, it's
No,
very difficult, you know.
No.
This file has again.
I understand,
the
Lordship.
whole
Yes,
distance.
Lordship, I understand, but
And I have worked out a cost for that.
Lordship,
Do you understand? I have
Yes,
worked out a cost.
I understand,
Number of
Lordship.
people involved. One file moving in this manner, it's not less than 25,000 rupees.
Lordship, I understand, Lordship, but at the same time, Lordship, I am not on behalf of 3, Lordship. I'm on
Let
behalf
me
of
also
4.
appear before the court, my lord. He is running away. He is the check signing authority, I have been told, my lord. He is not signing, he is signing all contractors' bill.
We will have both and we will stop the salaries of the executive.
Lordship, 2 or 3 days required.
Your lordship will give that, my lord. There is,
Yes.
I think.
No, 2 or 3 days required, Lordship.
This casualness I'm not going to.
No, not casual, Lordship.
Because 936 this order was passed.
No, Lordship, although, Lordship.
Or tell me that you have issued a communication
No,
to him,
Lordship,
he has not
No,
responded.
Lordship, one communication we received, Lordship, that was from, that is from the director, Lordship. Director already sent one letter to the chairman and executive officer.
No response. When was that letter
Lordship,
sent?
Yes, that was on 15 June 2026, Lordship.
Okay. That means in spite of directions, he is not responding. We'll ask him to come back.
Yes, Lordship, but at the same time, Lordship, what happened, Lordship, I can do one thing, Lordship, in the tomorrow or day after tomorrow, Lordship, I can bring the instruction from through respondent 4, Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. J.K. Goswami, our last chance is afforded to the respondent number 3 and 4 to release to the petitioner their release to the petitioner his admitted area salaries. Area salaries.
Yes.
Also, registry before the next date of listing. Registry to list this matter again on 21/7/2026 for further hearing.
Lordship.
Before the next date, release the amounts.
Lordship.
I don't know anything. Release the amounts, come back or ask him. In the event the amounts are not released to the petitioner, the respondent number 4 shall personally appear before this court to explain as to why, in spite of directions passed by this court on 3/6/2026 and also directions issued by the Director, Municipal Administration, no instructions have been furnished to the learned government advocate appearing in the matter. This court on the next date of listing, in the event the salaries of the petitioners are not released, petitioner is not released, and or reasons adequate showing as to why such salaries are not released, would also consider passing directions, stopping the salaries of the officials of the Borpeta Municipal Board. Huh? Borpeta Municipal Board. Borpeta Municipal Board. That's Mr. Goswami. See, this is your court as well as my court. We both have to act to keep the dignity of this court alive. If these are the things done, the dignity of the court will not be there. Please remember that.
I understand.
That much. Because we both are having some value because of the value of this institution.
Lordship.
The value of the institution goes, neither you will have value nor I will have value.
Lordship.
Please
Lordship.
work on that value.
Lordship.
Last to Katidia.
Item 62, if your lordship takes up now, my lord, Vishwajit.
62,
63.
yes. 63.
Yeah, my lord, this person will pay your lordship will kindly 62. Page 62. relevant portion.
Mr. Dotto is not here. He was, there are two matters which was there, which this adjournment has been taken. We'll take it up on 27th.
27.
27.
This person will not, despite orders of the
Mr.
court,
Dotto is a respondent number 6. He has filed an affidavit also here.
but respondent commissioner and secretary housing.
Respondent number 6 has
department is
filed an
important.
affidavit also. So what we do is we'll take it up on 27.
27.
As agreed to by the Learned Council for the parties, registered to list this matter on 27/6. Because passing an order without in his absence may not be proper.
No, that's fine. And item number 70, I'll appear when it is called up.
Okay.
No, I have one content.
No, they're coming. Seniors, I don't want to like seniors to be in my court for a long time. That's why.
Some additional rectifications are to be done, Your Lordship. Provisional to paise nahi.
Now on 29/5/2026, it is for this purpose that the court give you 3 weeks time.
Yes,
Why was this not done within this 3
Your
weeks?
Lordship, kindly see Your Lordship, the paragraph number 1, 2, 3. On 4, Your Lordship. Lordship, in this paragraph. Your Lordship,
That was noticed there. If there was discrepancy, it should be noticed in one go, cleared in one go.
Lordship, another.
And you come to the opening paragraph. What do you have to say on that?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why?
Some
Why
more
this has happened?
accommodation may be done, Your Lordship. Some more accommodation given, Your Lordship.
This order was passed on 29/5/26.
Yes.
And he says that he received this only on 14/7/26. Why? And the man is suffering.
Lordship, it is to inform that the person forwarded.
That means you did not forward it. Your office did not forward it. Why?
Your Lordship, the second paragraph may kindly be seen, Your Lordship.
I am on the first paragraph.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, Your Lordship, I may be wrong, but it appears to be typographical mistake. Maybe
When
Your
did
Lordship,
you forward
kindly
the copy to them? This order 29/5/26, when did you inform them?
Your Lordship, kindly see the paragraph, second paragraph, Your Lordship. It is to inform that the pension proposal along with service booking.
That we know, because that is reflected in 29/5.
On 24/6/26, Your Lordship, they appeared and his date of birth was corrected.
Not only date of birth, you say that there are further documents which required in the order dated 29/5/26 that is recorded. Now again, on 14/7/26, why is your officer saying the same thing? Why the rectification was not made? Why the delay?
On 24th of June, Your Lordship, the
You
date of
want
birth has
further
been
time?
corrected. Yes, Your Lordship.
How much cost?
4 weeks time, Your Lordship.
How much cost to the petition? From your block development officer, from your commissioner, recover it. How much? And it should be a respectable amount now. 2 big officers are there.
Last opportunity may be given, Your Lordship.
We have given you enough opportunity. How cost? How much? 1 lakh. Pension?
Yes, yes, definitely, Your Lordship.
And his suffering is in penury. Your pension, you have some subsistence.
No, my lord.
Getting provisional pension?
No, no.
No, not even provisional
No,
pension.
no. Since 2016, my lord.
16,
Yeah.
1 lakh.
Last 1 week time may be given, Your Lordship, 1 week time, only 1 week time, Your Lordship. If they fail, then I'll not.
No failure. You have already failed.
Yes, I admit it. Your Lordship.
Let him sustain.
Yes, yes, definitely.
He is to sustain. Or we will stop your your salary till you don't clear this. That will not make any difference, I know that, but still, an order will be passed.
Last one.
Tomorrow.
Your Lordship, the
Mr. K. Kumar, learned additional senior government advocate appearing for the respondents on instruction submit that the proposal, pension proposal in respect of the petitioners shall invariably be submitted to the Office of the Accountant General, Assam, complete in all respects on or before 24/7/2026. Mr. Kumar also submits that the pending authorization of the pension, proposed pension or regular pension to the petitioner shall within the next 1 week be the petitioner within the next 1 week shall be authorized a provisional pension with effect from the date subsequent to the date of his retirement. In view of the said submissions made by the learned additional advocate general, this court reluctantly adjourns the matter today and directs the registry to list this matter again on 31/7/2026. By the next date of listing, if the said undertakings given by Mr. Kumar and recorded herein above, the undertakings given by Mr. Kumar is not complied with, this court would pass appropriate orders towards compensating the petitioner for the harassment caused to him on account of the delay occasioning in authorizing to him his pension and pensionary benefits. This court would also consider passing orders.
Obviously.
Anything more?
Your Lordship, by 24, let them finalize all, Your Lordship.
Finalize and submit.
Yes, by 24, they will forward.
If they don't do, then
Yes, Your Lordship.
and his pension, provisional pension also should be released. If you don't do, then only this penalty would come in. Otherwise, it's not there.
By 24.
By 24. If you do it by 24, this order will not have any effect.
If it is comes from Your Lordship's mouth, Your Lordship, then it will be.
I have written there. লিখিছো না? In the event, the কি লিখিছো পড়াশোনা? Raised it to list this matter again on কিমান তারিখ দিছো? 31/7. So by 24th, if you comply, finished. 31, we will just close the matter.
Yes.
If not, then we will.
Obliged.
Mr. Kumar, Mr. Ghosh, A.K. Ghosh, Learned Counsel, assisting Mr. Kumar, shall forward a copy of the order to the concerned authorities for compliance.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
I for
Obliged.
Mr. R. Boro, Learned Counsel, for the Learned Standing Council, AG is present.
Right.
A copy of the instructions furnished by Mr. Kumar is kept on record and marked as X for the purpose of.
Obliged.
Lordship, if Lordship permit, item number 65. It has been complied with, Lordship. Contempt matter.
Appointment orders issued.
Yes,
Received. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that the directions passed by this court by order dated so and so in WPC number so and so has been complied with, and the petitioners have been granted their respective appointment orders. So, in view of the above position, the orders having been, the directions passed by this court having been complied with, comma, the present contempt petition stands closed. So, the notices issued stand recalled.
That's it. Obliged. Obliged.
लिखी दिया कोर्ट नाम गीता लिखी दिया
K.
Monto, PP Doctor, Mr. K. Kwon. Petitioner, Mr. PP Doctor, and Mr. K. Kwon. Councils designation standing council no, appears for their respective respondents.
Item 70, your lordship is, I think, some
70,
matters are fixed. Then again, contempt, my lord, it has not been followed.
70.
Item number 70.
Huh.
Same contempt, my lord.
Respondents are not here. We'll have it in the second half.
Second half. I was told that some matters are fixed in second.
Huh? Matters are fixed on?
Some matters are fixed at 2 p.m.
Few matters are there.
In the council.
70, huh? You're there.
For R1, I have already filed my affidavit. Read court direction was, my lord,
What happened to the cabinet memorandum? You are for the finance.
finance.
Mr. Dhor, what happened to the cabinet memorandum?
My lord, cabinet, I'm just getting my file.
That is that cabinet memorandum.
The court said that you follow the process and provide it.
Yes.
Earlier,
No, my lord. What court said, my lord?
What that is Mr. Das's contention. What is your contention?
My lord, it is in process.
But it's been in process for a long time now. You
My
had
lord,
circulated a cabinet memorandum also.
my lord,
What happened after?
it takes some time, my lord. Here it is, my lord.
Well, you tell me.
Draft cabinet, my lord.
Draft cabinet, forget it. When is it being placed in the cabinet?
My lord, now it is pending before the honorable minister, my lord. Because, my lord, it goes by a process, my lord. So, draft cabinet prepared, legal opinion was short for legal opinion given. Now it has been placed before the concerned minister. Next, my lord.
Chief Secretary.
No, Chief Secretary has already, my lord, endorsed, my lord.
Then it will go before the cabinet.
A cabinet, my lord.
So when can you give us a date of when it will be placed before the cabinet?
My lord,
Because now cabinet is there every week.
no, my lord, the thing is that now it is in assembly is in process, my lord.
Okay,
So,
after the assembly,
after the assembly, my lord.
give me a date.
My lord, I cannot give a date, my lord. I can, I'm seeking 3 weeks time. In the meantime, I will pursue. My lord will see what our
Mr. Ardhor, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number. Respondent number. Mr. Dhor's words are enough.
my lord, I am appearing for
Respondent number
1,
2 and 4.
2 and 4, my lord.
Submits that for compliance of the directions passed by this court, violation of which is alleged in the present contempt petition, a draft cabinet memorandum has already been prepared and the same is being processed to be placed before the cabinet. He submits that he be granted 3 weeks time, by which time he shall, 3 weeks time, he submits that the respondents be granted for the 3 weeks time to complete the process required, process involved. Also, I accepted a registry to list this matter after 3 weeks, immediately on conclusion of 3 weeks from today. On the next date of listing, Mr. Thought shall apprise this court as to the decision arrived at by the cabinet on the in the matter. So, in the event the matter is not placed before the cabinet, Mr. Thor shall apprise this court as to why the said matter was not placed before the cabinet, along with a few reasons for thereof.
And deeply.
I will get that word instruction, my lord.
A. Hussain.
A.K. Kanu.
No, who was there yesterday?
Yesterday, A. Hussain.
A. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. R. Dhor, learned standing counsel. Public Works Department. And Miss A. Rana, learned counsel, appearing for the respondent number 6. The petitioner in the by way of instituting the present writ petition has prayed for a direction for placement of for placing him against the Rooster Point men for ST bracketed plains community candidates in the cadre of senior assistant in the establishment of the executive engineer PWD Gauhati NH division in pursuance to his promotion to the said post in the year 2016. As projected in the aforesaid, the petitioner in the present writ petition next was initially appointed as a lower division assistant against a post reserved for the scheduled tribe bracketed plains community. Such appointment of the petitioner was effected by order dated 20/2018. So thereafter, the petitioner was considered for promotion to the next higher grade of senior assistant, and accordingly, the petitioner was so promoted to the next higher was accordingly promoted by an order dated 28/2016. So thereafter, a roster register of the cadre of senior assistants was published in the year 2022, and therein the petitioner was placed against a roster point meant for unreserved candidates, which was shown to have been de-reserved wide the approval of the government issued on 15/12/2016. The petitioner, who belongs to the scheduled tribe plains plains community, on being placed against a roster point meant for unreserved community candidates in the cadre of senior assistant, being apprehensive that such placement of the petitioner would result in his status as a member of a scheduled tribe bracket plains community to be ignored while considering his cases for further advancement in his service career, has instituted the present writ petition. Also, I have heard the learned counsel for the parties and also perused the matter. The claim of the petitioner, as noticed here in above, is for his placement against a roster point meant for scheduled tribe plains community in the cadre of senior assistant in the establishment of the respondent number 5. So, it is not disputed that the petitioner, on being found to be suitable, was promoted to the cadre of senior assistant while issuance of an order dated 28/12/2016. So, the petitioner on his such promotion had joined against the promotional post on the same very day, that is 28/12/2016. Thereafter, in the roster register as published for the cadre of senior assistant in the establishment of the respondent 5, the name of the petitioner was so reflected therein against a post point meant for unreserved community candidates. So, it is a settled position of law that the roster point, that the roster register is only for the purpose of apportioning the vacant posts amongst the unreserved as well and the reserved community candidates. So, the roster register otherwise would not have any effect in determining the status of an employee whose name has been incorporated therein. Merely on account of the petitioner being so placed in the rooster register against a point meant for unreserved community candidates, this court is of the considered view that no prejudice has been caused to the petitioner in the matter, and the scheduled caste bracketed plain status of the petitioner would not be undermined in any manner. Also, the placement of the petitioner against a rooster point meant for unreserved community candidate in the considered view of this court is inconsequential and would not have any adverse effect on the further service progression of the petition hearing. Also, accordingly, the apprehension of the petitioner that on account of his accordingly, the apprehension of the petitioner that on account of being placed against a rooster point meant for senior assistant, meant for unreserved community candidates in the cadre of senior assistant, the establishment of the respondent number 5 would cause prejudice to his further advancement in his service career in the considered view of this court is clearly misplaced. Also, accordingly, the grievance raised by the petitioner in the present writ petition would not mandate an acceptance from this court. Having drawn the said conclusion, this court provides that the respondent authorities, on account of the fact that the petitioner has now been placed against a rooster point meant for unreserved community candidates in the cadre of senior assistant in the establishment of the executive engineer, PWD, in the establishment of the respondent number 5, would not deprive the petitioner of any further promotion to the next higher grades in the event such the petitioner being a member of a scheduled tribe community is a scheduled tribe bracket plains community is entitled for being considered as such. So the scheduled tribe bracket plains status of the petitioner shall not be in any manner undermined by the respondent authorities in the matter of further advancement of the petitioner in his service career. With the above observations and directions, the writ petition stands disposed of.
Lordship.
We must thank Ms. Bra for that. Also, they heard Mr. S.K. Talukdar, learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Ms. M.D. Bora, learned standing counsel, Transport Department. The petition in the present writ petition has essayed a show cause notice dated 3/7/2026 on the ground 2026. During the course of the hearing of the matter, the learned counsel for the petitioner had submitted that the petitioner had already retired from his services on reaching the age of superannuation with effect from April
26, my lord, that date, my lord, I don't have. April 26.
30
Yes,
is like
correct.
30 April 2026.
Yes.
Also, accordingly, a query was raised by this court to the learned standing counsel, Transport Department, as to whether it was permissible to draw up a departmental proceeding against the petitioner by invoking the provisions of Rule 9 of the Assam Service Bracket Discipline and Appeal Rules 1994 after the petitioner had superannuated from its services. So, in response to the said query, Ms. Bora has placed on record an order dated 15/7/2026 issued by the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam Transport Department. A perusal of the said order reveals that the show cause notice dated 3/7/2026 was withdrawn with immediate effect by the respondent authorities. Also, in view of the said developments taking place in the matter, no further live issue arises for consideration by this court in the no further live issue arises for consideration by the court, and accordingly, the present writ petition stands closed. Copy of the order dated 15/7/2026 is kept on record and marked as X for the purpose of identification.
I'm so deeply obliged, Lordship.
Obligation.
The medical prescription where it is mentioned, enhance psychological tremors, my lord.
Where?
My lord, in the top, my lord, it's in the handwriting.
Enhance psychological tremor.
Tremor.
That is what we wanted. Yes.
My lord, my case is there, my lord. The petitioner was sent in the OPT department, my lord. I have already stated, my lord, that.
You go and get yourself admitted in the indoor department now. But for the purpose of this case, this is enough.
And my lord, in the medical board, another ground was there, my lord, effective near vision, my lord. No.
Tremor is enough. One is enough. You can't catch a gun. You are going there to protect the nation.
In that effect, there is a order, my lord. Similar case, my lord.
Okay. Tremors, yes.
No, not tremor.
Then?
Hesitation cut mark.
Huh?
Hesitation cut mark, my lord.
Education?
Hesitation cut mark.
Oh, hesitation cut.
In that case, no, court directed, my lord, to admit the petitioner in the as indoor patient, my lord.
That is a different, that requires a psychiatric investigation. This is not required. We are dismissing.
Let them put on record, my lord.
Oh, this is already on record. You have given him a copy?
No, this is already on record, actually, my lord.
This is there.
It is there, my lord.
Since 2001, my lord, petitioner is pursuing the matter, my lord.
We are relieving him today. See, this is a discipline, this is a force. You can't have.
This is not a new recruitment. This is continuation of service, my lord. The present case is regarding, my lord, continuation of service, not a new recruitment, my lord.
It has a checkered history, my lord. In terms of the Honorable High Court's order that review medical was done. Since 2001, he has been litigating, my lord, and thereafter, my lord, we have conducted the review and found to be unfit.
Third day, learned counsel for the parties at some length. Hearing remains inconclusive. Registry to discuss matter again on Monday. Promotions. Monday,
Obligation.
For the hearing. Constitution. Yes.
My lord, the impugn order, my lord, which I have challenged, my lord.
We are not concerned with the impugn order. I am concerned with your citus of appointment.
My submission before.
May I please, Your Lordship, can the matter be passed over for a time being?
It will not be passed over, madam. You be here.
Lord, what happened, my lord? The preliminary cause of action arose in Gauhati.
Notwithstanding anything contained in Article 32, every High Court shall have power throughout the territories in relation to which it exercises jurisdiction. So you are not within my jurisdiction. You are in Alipurduar. You are in Kuch Bihar.
In jurisdiction in relation to the territories within which the cause of action wholly or in part arises.
You must be here. You must be here to come and file a writ petition here. You are not here.
I am not here.
So you go to Delhi, file it there.
Because
that is better.
Delhi authority has not issued any order, my lord. This is the CFC Maligaon.
you come to the tuned order.
Yes, my lord. Annex 3, page 40. Sorry, my lord. Annex 39. Annex 2.
I'm sorry, this repetition will not be maintainable.
NFR.
This repetition will not be maintainable here. You will have to go before the competent court.
Because, my lord, the preliminary cause of action arose here, my lord.
Mr. Show me a decision that you are in, say, maybe in Delhi, maybe in Bombay, in Bangalore, some order is passed from an authority here.
Yes.
The repetition can be maintained. Just show me an order. I'll correct myself. Just show me an order.
My lord, then in that case, my lord,
Today,
fix.
that's why we fixed it at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Elementary. That is elementary.
Earlier, question I never faced. My lord, first time I'm facing. Earlier,
Mr. Kotki, if a person is working, say, in Calcutta or in Alipurduar, some orders pass by railway because railway has a area. Some order passed by the railway authorities here, transferring him from there to some other place, which is also not here. Whether a repetition I can entertain here. Because he is situs of his working is somewhere else. He's not in an area.
Order was passed here.
Order may have been passed here,
My lord,
but he is an employee of Katihar.
so that's, there is a judgment of the Supreme Court where similar type of question popped up in respect of Union of India. Because if I remember, in that case, my lord, what happens, the challenge was made in some high court, question raised similarly.
No, this is a service matter.
Yes.
He is working in a particular place. So his grievance will be covered by the court which has exercises jurisdiction over that area. Order may be passed by any authority. It's not like a tender matter, say,
No,
you are
no,
in
it's
Gujarat.
not because of NF Railway has a jurisdiction
Everywhere.
not everywhere, I mean, up to West Bengal.
No, that West Bengal.
That is why it is area.
Really. Now, see, when a man is working at Alipurduar, order is passed at Maligaon. He cannot file a repeat OA before the Gauhati CAT. He'll have to file it before Calcutta bench.
No, that way your lordship is correct.
Because I'll have to.
He was there. Order was passed from here. Maybe.
And the order is, see, Alipurduar to Cooch Behar. That again is not within me.
Within the not.
Because I'll have to understand the cause of action from the point of view where the petitioner is.
On the other side of the thing is, the order was passed from Gauhati.
Gauhati. Cause of action is, I'm not on the cause of action, he is here. But whether he can come from there and file a writ petition. Anyway, we'll examine this. Friday, 9, 11, 12, 11, 12 and 14.
11, 12 and 14.
Friday. As agreed to by the Lana Council Party parties, registry to list this matter on Friday.
Yes.
We'll consider.
Yes.
You also find out.
I will find it. Obliging.
These are tentative views. You can give me.
I tried my
I am because my territorial jurisdiction will not accept. There are decisions of the Supreme Court. I'll get to it. You also come ready. Anything more to be submitted, Mr. Prokhestam?
But I have given the judgments.
But the Lana Council for the parties hearing concluded. Registry to list this matter. 30/7/2026 for delivery of funds. I wanted to do it yesterday, but I could not. Yes.
I have received instructions. The pension proposal has been resubmitted, my lord, and
The AG.
to the accountant general, along with answer to two queries, my lord, because two queries were raised, and it was returned back. Queries
Mr.
was
Talukdar, have you received?
It was of 13 July, Lordship.
10-7.
Lordship, I've checked, Lordship, it is on
in transit.
transit, Lordship.
Okay. Mr. I. Thakur, Learned Counsel, Learned Standing Counsel, Public Health Engineering Department, on instructions as submitted that a revised proposal, a rectified proposal for a rectified proposal for release of family pension to the petitioner has been submitted to the Office of the Accountant General, Assam, on 10/7/2026. Also, Mr. R.K. Talukdar, Learned Counsel for the for the Standing Counsel, Accountant General, Assam, submits that the said proposal presently is in transit and the same, on being received in the Office of the Accountant General, would be processed and finalized at the finalized expeditiously. How long will you take?
15 days, Lordship, authorized.
He accordingly prays that the matter be taken up after a month, on which date on the and on the next date of listing, he shall place before this court the family pension payment order issued to the petitioner in the matter. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again on 17/8/2026 for further hearing. Mr. Talukdar, on the next date of listing, shall place before this court the family place before this court orders passed after final processing of the pension claim of the petitioner herein by the Office of the Accountant General. A copy of the communication dated 10/7/2026 furnished by Mr. I. Thakur is kept on record and marked as X for the purpose of education. Why can't you do this earlier?
My lord, they didn't even communicate to me, my lord. They should
Next
have.
time you make that submission, I'll have the officer here. Poor lady is before this court. This should not be done.
Obliged.
Wait for one more month, Mr. Ahmed. You are getting.
An affidavit was directed to be filed, my lord, to inquire into the certificates.
Yes. Where is Miss Chutia? Have you seen the last order?
Yes.
Where is the affidavit? By the secretary.
Lordship, I have to come to Lordship.
We don't have time. We have to get things cleared by 5. We'll have him here. Come, get it. I passed a clear direction here on 23/6. Why the affidavit is not? When? Where? You think will not do?
Secondary education. I am from higher education.
Then why are you making submissions? You move out, let the concerned authority come. And if they are not coming, we'll have the secretary here now. I'll take it out after 10 minutes.
My lord, another 3 weeks time may be allowed, my lord, because of course, I have wrote a letter to the client, my lord, because the
On
case
prayer
needs to,
of
yeah.
KDV,
Compassionate
counsel
appointment.
for the petitioner. Registry to list this matter again after 3 weeks.
I appear to the response number 1, Your Honor.
Mr. Edas, Learned
I
Counsel.
would like to
the
implead
response
my lord,
number
present.
five- Yeah?
I would like to implead present.
For the response number 1 is present. This we says, how can we say we know?
There is already an order for implement, Your Honor.
Yes,
Much obliged, Your Honor.
I took
God.
it before this.
Here is a judgment.
Yeah, please, Lordship. Lordship may kindly pass over for time in.
Why the order is not complied with?
Lordship, kindly pass over for time in. My senior is coming, Lordship.
Who is your senior?
Lordship. Dinat, Lordship. Dinat, Lordship.
See, everything is over. All the legal remedies that you could have taken is finished.
Read petition, review, appeal, SLP,
Review,
dismiss,
review.
again review. SLP review. So now, even, well, 18/12/25, this court directed them to submit compliance report.
Okay, we'll wait for the compliance report. We'll give, ask him to come. There's not much. Keep on waiting.
Lordship, here the pension proposal has been sent to the treasury officer. Lordship, the GIS amount has been paid. Now, Lordship.
That we know.
Yes. Now, Lordship.
But what happened after that?
Yes. Now, Lordship, the area salary needs to be paid. Lordship, that is available in the budget. That will be paid within. Lordship.
What happened to the pension? Was the pension started?
Lordship, as per last instructions we have got, it hasn't started.
Then?
And as of today, we couldn't get the instruction.
No, Lordship, we have sent it to the treasury. I'm appealing for
Treasury
the.
sending is one thing. Whether the treasury officer, why the treasury officer?
No, Lordship, pension has to come from the.
This is an employee of?
Health department, Lordship.
Health department.
Yes, Lordship.
It has to come from accountant general.
Now, Lordship, no, that has been done. After that, they have sent for the pension, they have already forwarded to the treasury. Now what remains?
That was way back.
Yes, Lordship, so they were required to get the instruction whether the pension has been paid or not. If they have not been paid, then Lordship, I can inquire through the treasury officer why the pension has not been paid. From the health department, we have completed the procedure and sent the necessary documents to the treasury officer. That is the instruction that is available to me. Now, from our.
Have you received the PPO? Pension payment order?
Lordship, I need to take instruction.
That was the instruction that they were required to be taken.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, registry to list this matter again after how many? 1 year?
Lordship.
1 year. After 1 year?
No, Lordship.
Then?
4 weeks, Lordship.
If you can't take these instructions, the basic thing you're preventing this court from proceeding. Whether you have not received, will others catch them?
Yes, Lordship. They might be receiving also, Lordship.
Lordship, as per 1 month back, what is
1 month back is
as of
different. Today, what is the situation?
Lordship, we couldn't contact.
Because he says it has already gone to the treasury. Treasury officer means everything is clear.
Yes, Lordship.
Just to release that amount. You'll go to the bank will pay you. Whether you are receiving or not, that much you can't tell us. After how many days? How much day you?
4 weeks, Lordship.
After 8 weeks. 4 weeks, go idiot. You also.
Yes, Lordship. We are trying. We'll figure out, Lordship.
Yeah.
This case, Lordship, SLP was preferred, Lordship. I have the diary number, Lordship. The vacation time it was filed, Lordship.
Division bench judgment is of?
2026.
No, date.
Date, your Lordship.
Mr. A. Gugui, learned counsel appearing for the respondents has submitted that against the order. Judgment and order dated?
Judgment and order dated 22/8/2024.
No, that is the division bench.
Single bench.
Division bench?
Division bench, your Lordship.
Division bench was not an expert.
Against the order dated so and so.
Just give the.
Passed by the division bench of this court, rejecting the appeal filed by the respondents against the order, judgment and order dated 22/8/2024 in WPC number
6231 of
6231 of 2020.
6231 of 2013. The respondents have filed a special leave petition before the Supreme Court on 30/6/2026. Accordingly, he prays that the present matter be taken up after 2 months. Mr. Gugui shall, on the next date of listing, apprise this court about the further outcome of the SLP presently pending consideration before the Honorable Supreme Court. Registry to list this matter again after 2 months on a date to be fixed. You also keep a track.
If I have
I got the communication.
14/7/2026. is kept on record and marked as X 45%.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Who is appearing for the education department? Now we'll have to review this order because there is an amendment.
My lordship may look into Rule 12, my lord, of 2018 rules, whether petitioner in that particular cadre or not, my lord. His substantive appointment in the ME school, my lord. And his cadre is under the Assam Elementary Education Provincialist rule, my lord. Rule 12(1), my lord. The post of the principal in provincialized higher secondary school.
Somewhere extracted that rules.
My lord, well, it is there, my lord. It is in the page
71 euros.
Page 71.
7.
Rule 12.
No, my lord.
Ah,
Rule
71.
12, no, our lordship will look into Rule 12 is page 45. The post of principal in provincialized higher secondary school shall be filled up by direct recruitment from the candidates among the cadre. The word cadre is there, of course, postgraduate teacher of senior secondary and higher secondary school and graduate teacher of higher secondary school as per procedure under sub rule 5. My lord, petitioner cadre is his appointment, substantive appointment is in the ME school, my lord.
He says that he was a graduate teacher in a ME school.
ME school, my lord.
Then he was what?
Transferred. No, he was transferred.
Transferred. He now is in the graduate. He's in a higher secondary school.
But
from 20, how much? 20?
20 since 12, my lord.
2012,
my lord.
12.
So, my lord.
So 17. He
My
is
lord,
you are a postgraduate or a graduate?
Graduate, my lord.
2012 onwards you are there.
My lord.
So
Join on
17
my-
years. So you have not acquired the qualification.
My lord. So
17 onwards you will not, if you are there from 2012
my lord.
in a high school.
My lord, initially I was my senior counsel is right, my lord. So for that part is concerned. So for the my service in the said particular school at my lord Bukajan High School, my lord, that was with effect from 24/8/2012, my lord.
12. So
12.
12 plus 17 is 29.
29.
You're not entitled.
My lord, prior to that, my lord, I was also my lord graduate teacher in another
No,
school.
that is in the that will not come here.
My lord, lordship may take note of the my lord, any high school, my lord.
Any high school, huh?
Page 71, my lord.
Any high school will not be in a ME school. Will it be in a?
Page 71, my lord.
I'm there.
Any high school. So prior to transferring the present school, my lord, I was posted in the HDP High School, my lord. HDP High School with effect from 2007, my lord. May.
Where is that order?
Annexure 2, my lord.
Page?
Page 20, my lord.
When did you come to HDP? Page 20.
I came to HDP 16/5/2007, my lord.
No, where is that order?
My lord, I am searching. Page 24, my lord.
20?
24, Annexure 4.
Where is your name?
My lord, Hiteshwar Sharma, my lord.
Where is your posting order? Which order?
Annexure 4, my lord.
Annexure 4, I am there.
In the interest of public service.
HN Bora.
My lord.
No, show me that. Where is the order posting you?
My lord.
Here only HN Bora, P. Gogoi, HN Bora is there. Where is the order?
My lord, may I read your lordship? In the interest of public service, H.N. Bora, assistant teacher, HDB High School, who is under order of transfer to Bukazan High Secondary School, while this office order number so and so, dated so and so, is hereby now transferred to Upper Devhari High School with his own grade and scale of pay, with effect from the date of his joining Vice Sri H. Sharma, assistant teacher, Upper Devhari High School transfer. H. Sharma is my lord, I am the
Where is your order of transfer?
my lord. Original copy is too much illegible, my lord. That is why, my lord.
On the prayer of Mr. R. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, registry to list, MK Sharma, learned counsel for the petition, registry to list this matter again. When? When do you want it?
Friday, ma'am.
Friday, not possible. On 27, 7. Mr. J. Chutia, learned standing counsel. It is KAAC, KAAC is present. If you are in a high school, if you can show that you are in a high school,
I am
you
in
are
a high
covered by.
school. My transfer was from ME school to high school. Next, my
Get that order
yes,
on record.
yes. All right, your lord.
Appeal disposed of.
Chief, appeal was filed by respondent number 2 and it is delayed. There is delay. The notice was issued on a delay condonation as per my information, Lordship, because
They filed condonation petition. Condonation petition. They file along with the writ appeal. Let whether the pendency without
Let that be examined.
because
There is an appeal, let that be examined. It is submitted that the appeal preferred by the NHM authorities against the judgment and order dated 16/12/2025 in WPC number 5619/2020 is presently pending consideration before the division. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again after 4 weeks on a date.
Lordship, the next date is given in that is on 25th of September.
25th of
September for the condonation application.
to list this matter after disposal of the above noted writ appeal. You get it.
my lord, that may not be recorded because they
After
25th.
After 25th is the date.
For the
after
delay.
25th.
After 25/9/2026.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
My lord, newly engaged, my lord, file just yesterday, my lord, my lord. Some time maybe allow.
What is the error?
Error, my lord. I have only here the review with this now.
Go file an appeal against this if there is some conclusion error here.
Paragraph 3 is there, Lords. Paragraph 3 is explanation. Review petition. Paragraph 2.
Yes, what is that?
As their claim is that the submission of the instruction by the respondent, Lordship, is wrongly submitted.
Yes,
That is the issue.
So what do you say on that?
Lordship, that I have to take instructions.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter again on 19/8/2026. The learned counsel for the respondent, Mr. J.K. Gusami, learned counsel for the respondent shall complete his instructions in the meanwhile. Await service of completion of service of notice upon the respondent number 5 for further 2 more weeks. It was only sent on 26.
Otherwise, Lordship,
For further 3 more weeks.
otherwise, Lordship, the appointment of the Lordship Respondent 5 has been already set aside by the first appellate authority, Lordship, and the second appellate authority also.
But let us see.
They,
You should have said that when the notices were issued. You have not said.
yes, we have said, and Lordship, the observation is there in the.
But why notices were issued then? You delete him, we'll consider. You want to delete him?
No, Lordship.
Then
Yes.
why make these submissions? After 3 weeks, huh?
After
For further 3 weeks.
Lordship, can I date can be Obliged.
Same thing. Respond number 4 not served.
Lordship, notice has been served. If your lordship would have a look at the office note, your lordship, it says that the consignment has been shown as delivered in the web page of Speed Post. However, the AD card is not returned. I mean, deal to be completed, your lordship.
Registered to place the matter before the Lauzima court to consider the status of service of notice upon the respondent number 4. Respondent number 4. Registered to thereafter list the weeks. Registered to then list the matter before this.
But interim order.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date.
Much obliged.
Your Lordship. In this matter, my lord, the petitioners are CRPF personnel, my lord. They are serving as AS.
Now, when you filed this writ petition, none of you were here.
Yes, my lord, that is
Then
correct, my
how
lord.
can this writ petition be maintainable?
My lord, presently, my lord.
Presently will not make a difference.
Otherwise, my lord, the cause of action is continuous since 1996, my lord.
Maybe, but when you filed this writ petition, none of you were within this jurisdiction of
That is
this.
correct, my lord.
Then how can I entertain this?
My lord, as the cause of action is continuous and presently the petitioner number
Show
1.
me a law to that effect. I'm having a confusion. Show me a law to that effect.
Otherwise, my lord, the issue has been decided, my lord.
We are not on that. When you had if somebody somewhere
Yes, that is
comes
correct,
and
my lord.
files a case here, that will not be the proper forum.
That is correct, my lord.
Then shall I dismiss it on that count?
My lord, let me withdraw, my lord.
On the prayer of Mr. M. Soikia, London Council for the petition raised it to list this matter again on 6/8/2026. Mr. Soikia shall address this court on the next date of shall address this court about the maintainability of the present writ. Inasmuch maintainability of the present writ petition, it is to be noticed that on the date of filing of the present writ petition, none of the petitioners were serving in an area within the territorial jurisdiction of this court.
Actually, my lord.
Raised it to list this matter, Kitty issue. You want some more time?
My lord,
6 will do. 6/8.
actually, my lord, at the time of filing, my lord, some of the persons are there, my lord.
They say there is.
Here, my lord.
You say there is none within the jurisdiction of this court when the case was filed.
Yes, my lord.
He wants some accommodation to address this court.
Yes, yes.
We have fixed it on 6/8. You'll be back by the time.
Yes, yes.
6/8.
My lord, otherwise it may be disposed of, my lord. My lord, same thing will be happen, my lord, because jurisdiction maintainability. Let me tell, my lord. Let me. My lord.
I don't want an easy disposal. Yeah.
Obliged, your lordship.
Yes, Mr. Not compliance order.
Lordship, I have received the proposal, my lord. The government has sought for the proposal showing the my lord, monetary involvement for towards payment of the dues, my lord. The director has already prepared that and it has been sent on 9th of July to the additional chief secretary, my lord. It is under process, my lord. Some time is required, my lord. Lordship may.
When was the SLP dismissed?
SLP was dismissed.
Any idea, Mr.
Yes.
Lordship on
SLP dismissed on 15/10/25.
15/10/25. If we give you 60 days from that date also, you are exceeding the time.
No, thereafter a review petition was filed.
Review. When was the review dismissed?
But ultimately it was in the month of May, possibly, my lord.
লিখেছিল না? লাস্ট ডেট পর্যন্ত আইছে কিন্তু পিছরে
I have the it is some diary number too. I have it. It was on
26/3.
19/5, my lord, I have the up-to-date update as on 19/5/2026, my lord. Court of Dinner.
Dismissed. Dismissed on 19/5.
19, after that, my lord. This is
On 19/5, the case was listed.
Okay.
On that day dismissed.
lordship. Case number review petition, civil number so and so. Only the diary number was there,
So this is gone on 19/5.
19/5.
So 19/5, 19/6, 19/7, 19/8. 19/5, 19/6, 19/7. That is also now lapsing.
It is on 19/5, my lord. I have the order.
Okay, it's lapsing. 19th, it's lapsing.
My lord,
60 days, even if I hold that the single judge's 60 days time will be say from the date of review of the dismissal of the review. That is also gone.
Lordship may kindly consider, my lord, they are serving, they are working, my lord, and they are getting their regular pay.
That is not the
And-
intent. My question is the directions passed by this court.
Lordship.
When it has been taken up once, twice, thrice,
Lordship.
approvals granted, why the delay?
But in fact, it is under process, my lord. There is no deliberate, my lord. In fact, lordship, the government has sought for the involvement, financial involvement. They have already calculated and that has already been placed before the government.
But Mr.
It is
As
under
to
process,
learned
lordship, may
counsel
kindly.
for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Not learned, learned counsel appearing for the respondents. Mr. Nath submits that the financial implication for release of the salaries to the petitioners in terms of the directions passed by this court-wide order dated judgment and order dated 26/2022 in WPC number 7215/2018 has already been prepared by the Director, Women and Child Development, Assam, and submitted before the government in the Department of Women and Child Development, Assam, Assam. He submits that the further processing of the matter would take.
My lord, kindly keep it after a month, my lord, after 4 weeks. I'll update, my lord.
No. This was for compliance today. You were to support the submit the compliance report, the last order.
Lordship has said so, my lord. But
Then-
it is under process. Kindly keep it after 4 weeks, my lord. I'll apprise the honorable court, my lord.
No, we are apprising will not do. We want compliance. Submits that the amounts involved would be released to the petitioners within a period of 30 days from today.
My lord,
Failing which,
I can't make a submission that
Okay.
it will be released.
Uh,
Lordship, kindly
keep. Full stop. In view of the said developments, the respondents are directed to release the areas receivable by the petitioners on or before 31/8/2026. Registry to list this matter on 2/9/2026. In the event the amounts are not so released, this court would be left with no other alternative but to take further, but to pass appropriate orders drawing up contempt proceedings against the respondents involved in the matter. A copy of the communication dated 9/7/2026 furnished by Mr. Dinath is kept on record and marked as X for the purpose. So naturally, you will not put it in your mouth. Let be our direction.
Lordship. I'll do it, my lord.
61 is same. Same. We can pass a single order. Same order.
My lord, I am sorry, my lord, this item number 72, my lord, my name is not there. I have filed wakalatnama just to.
Huh?
Item number 72, my lord, my name is there. The service complete, I have filed wakalatnama, my lord, on 13. Item number 72.
%72. What happened in 72?
My lord, I have submitted wakalatnama, private respondent, my lord.
When?
On 13, my lord, 13.
The name is not reflected here.
On 13/7, I have filed wakalatnama.
Detail show me. Okay, we'll take it up after some time. You get the learned counsel for the petition. 84, no? Yes, where is the affidavit?
Yes,
Mr.
Malad.
Kapani?
Affidavit, today we are filing it, Malad. In fact, I have received it in the morning, but there is some
Okay.
mistake in the
Mr. N. J.
annex, Malad.
Kapani, learned
I'll
counsel
start
for the petitioner.
now only,
Let's
Malad.
start. The affidavit in terms of the directions passed by this court-wide order dated 23/6/2026 would be filed during the course of the day. So accordingly, registry to list this matter again on 27/7/2026.
Yes, wait, it is.
72 today.
Wait, it take copy to do.
Third, Mr. P. Kashyap, learned counsel for the petition. Also, Mr.
M. Hussain.
M. Hussain, learned counsel for the learned counsel has submitted that he has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number 4. Accordingly, service upon the respondent, upon all the respondents is complete. Registry to list this matter for admission hearing after 4 weeks, after 3 weeks, huh?
My lord, I have to
On
file
date to be fixed.
my opposition, my lord.
The respondents are at liberty. Respondents shall file their respective responses on or before the next date of this.
Highly honest.
You please inform the learned counsel for the petitioner.
Right.
Huh? Cut it in. Phone number 4.